today. They are coming from Sambalpur, Raulpur, and just pray that if possible tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Today specifically, my lord, I am giving the. They have stayed back.
They have come here.
They have stayed back. Not here.
No, they have come here.
There is no list.
I'm saying if they are come here from Rourkela somewhere, I want to list it today or sir. Do you tell?
No, my lord, I stopped them because it is not
You
based
stopped
at
them.
Bhubaneswar. They are Bhubaneswar.
They are from Bhubaneswar, na? They are tomorrow.
My lord, that the item number 60 that the entry mode to continue.
Number 60.
60.
Okay.
To be mentioned, item number 1.
Yes.
My lords, I am appearing in item number 1 for the
Mr. Sangnaria,
Yes,
there
my
are
lord.
some issues again. Whenever I'm doing it, I'm getting confused.
Most of the files.
So many things are not clear here. Copy of the letter required. This is one thing. First, copy of the contract. You have the contract copy.
My lords, I don't have it. The other side has
You
it.
don't have that.
The other side.
Copy of the letter.
My lords, I will file the lower court records. Whatever I have, if my lords may permit, I'll file those then.
What are the action taken by the engineers?
The action, they were just letters exchanged between the parties, my lords. There was action, there were letters exchanged between the parties, and then thereafter they terminated the contract despite of we telling them that there was no land available, there was no the site was not available to us. We raised as complaints before the engineer, but still then the engineer had went ahead and terminated the contract, my lord.
They have not gone to the engineer, my lord. They directly
Copy of
came
the
to
letter requesting the engineers to take up the issue of PB as per the clause 32 of the agreement.
They have bypassed that. They directly came to arbitration. And in this case,
Can you give a short note on these things? What is the actual position?
Milord, we have already filed on 3/7.
No, many things are not clear.
My lords, I would need some time because I'm in Delhi right now. I'll be coming back.
From Delhi, mail is not working from Delhi.
I don't have the files with me, my lords. That's the whole issue.
Okay, then let's do one thing. No, I can't wait. It is already. I've already almost done. Only because of this confusion, I'm the conclusion.
I don't have the files. That is why I was only requesting.
Do one thing.
Yes, my lord.
I'm sending you the soft copy. Give your email ID to the court master. Soft copy. I'm sending you. Read there and from there.
Then yes, my lord. Then I'll do it.
Give your email ID. Soft copy will be sent to you.
I'll send it to her. I'll give it my email ID. Yes, ma'am.
So far as the appellant is concerned.
Okay, soft copy patel deba.
Yes,
we have filed written notes of argument and case laws and also the date chart.
No, I'm not on that, sir. All these things are there, but these are few doubts I have, and that request to be clarified. So,
my lords, I will. If the soft copy is shared, I'll file the note as soon as possible.
Okay.
Hello.
Soft copy is put. Give your email ID there to our court master.
I'll send it.
And some if any colleague is there.
My colleague is there. I'll send it.
Okay, email ID. Sir, pen drive and is sir.
I'll.
Pen drive okay.
Item
number 2.
2.
If your lordship permits me, lords, to make one submission, lords, before my learned friend submits, my lord. This revision relating to vigilance from 2015 onwards. This is assigned matter of Justice Honorable Justice S.K. Sahu, and another contingent case arranging the same vigilance PS case number is already in the list today, lords, in item number 468.
Sorry, I couldn't get. What is the assignment? Am I court assignment?
No, the assigned matter of Justice Sahu is the criminal division relating to vigilance
sir,
from
2000.
inadvertent
criminal division nahi, vigilance nahi. Achi ta kon nahi.
Revision achi.
Aya noa aji ro jo noa ta kali jo bahar thi pardon lagu.
Yes, I'm referring to that, my lord. The reason being, lord, these criminal division and another criminals are conducted, my lords. The connected matter of Justice S.K. Sahu, and this is inadvertently listed here. There is a reason being revision relating to vigilance from 2015 onwards.
Land Council of the Vigilance submit that the matter is pertaining to the number.
Criminal division number 356 of 2023.
Criminal division number 356 of 2023.
356 of 2023. arising from same criminal vigilance
He
case.
is listed before the coordinate bench, and the rest is directed to release the matter along with the above.
Which was also indicate this pertains to the vigilance revision
I am
after
not
15.
saying anything. Simply didn't go there. Simply. Next,
Item number 3.
3.
May I please, Your Lordship, my lord. A revision, my lord, against the NI Act, my lord, confirming the trial court judgment on 3 months, 25,000, Lordship. Check amount is 20,000. He has already deposited 5% in the trial court and released on bail.
He is on bail.
Check,
What do you want?
check. I have already mentioned in first IA, page number 2. 89 bail, page number 2 IA in paragraph 3.
Okay. The petitioner is filing the CRLREV, telling the judgment and order dated 1/9/2023 passed in criminal appeal number 7 of 2019 by the additional district session judge Anandpur, where the appeal filed by the appeal was dismissed the judgment and order of conviction under section 138 of the NI Act passed by ICC-GN case number 34 of 2001, case number 435 of 2020 passed by the Brahman Nyadhikari. Ghasipura was confirmed and petitioner sentenced to undergo simple imprisonment for 3 months to pay a sum of 25,000 as compensation. So this is for
I'm prayer for bail. I filed for bail, my lord.
you are inside.
My lord.
You are inside.
No, I'm in bail in the.
You are in bail. You are in bail. Sir.
I are in bail in the.
I am in bail. Confused. Okay, you are, so I number. Issue notice to opposite party number. Opposite party.
Opposite party number 2.
2.
My
Copy number 2. And I number. I get the number.
I know the left.
I number.
693.
This one present. I verify the petition.
Another arrangement was stay relation of fine.
Stay relation. I go to stay relation. Stay relation. I go to
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
List the matter on November 14th.
Yes, Lordship.
Item 4.
May I please, my lord? My lord, the present petitioners have filed the this criminal revision arising out of a criminal appeal number 5 of 2023 and 6 of 2023. But the present petitioners have.
What is the case?
My lord.
What is the case about? This section.
My lord, the criminal appeal filed by 6.
Sir, what is the case about? What is the matter?
Matter is that the servicing place of the opposite party number 1, the aggrieved person, is at Burla, but she has filed that DV case at Baleswar. That is exceeding the jurisdiction of this Hon'Ble Court. The trial court has not power.
What is your prayer? Prayer? What is your prayer? Prayer.
Prayer that execution stay of execution case. No, my lord.
Prayer
criminal appeal. The stay of execution case. The execution case DV execution case number 163 of 2023 arising out of DV case number.
Arising case number say case ta kon pai stay karibi tete kon tu kon pai stay karibi
opposite party number 1 is
case opposite party
agreed person Y.
Case eta
Aggrieved
आज्ञा से वाइफ की हस्बैंड किए
वाइफ
वाइफ तो अपोजिट पार्टी वाइफ कहले असुविधा अछि एग्री पर्सन को देंगे अपोजिट पार्टी वाइफ हां
सी इज ए गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट
तो सब फिर कौन असुविधा गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट हला कोन हला
अलर्ट द
से कोडी रहउची
बुर्ला रे
बुल्ला रहउची
आया
आपण रहउची
ढेंकानाल
ढेंकानाल रे
माय लॉर्ड
ओके तो असुविधा
से फाइल कले एट बालेश्वर
के
इज पेरेंट प्लेस
बालेश्वर
Wife.
फेल कले
माय लॉर्ड
अच्छा
अनदर इज
प्लेस ऑफ सर्विस अछि चेंज इबे को चाकरी कोन कोन
नो डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस अराइजेस
आगे कोन चाकरी कोछथि
नर्स
नर्स
ना
ट्रांसफर हो जो प्लेस ऑफ पोस्टिंग आज बुला देते काली आ कोठी बहि जो ट्रांसफर कोन
माय लॉर्ड सिंस 2011
बाप घर ये थिले से एड्रेस रे फाइल कोले असुविधा कोन
से
तो आपण को असुविधा कोन हला कोंदु आपण हला दिल्ली
Petition-
केस सेठी हला आपण कोन करथि
माय पिटिशनर नंबर 1
आपण कोन
हस्बैंड
करथि
हस्बैंड गोटे प्राइवेट कंपनी काम करछि
कोठी
एट ढेंकानाल
ढेंकानाल
it 11,670 रुपीस पाउछि कौन सी डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस है नाही किंतु सेठी से सर्विस कला पर गोटे तार इलिसिट रिलेशन टू अनदर तापर एकु
आपण को रिलेशन तार
वाइफ
वाइफ रो
तापर
पैसा मांगे
तापर
तो बाहर करबी आपण
तीनटा बाथ सर्टिफिकेट रे थरे तीनटा बाथ सर्टिफिकेट बाहर कराछि फर्स्ट बाथ सर्टिफिकेट ऑब्टेन बाय द
ए केस रे मेरिट रे सुनु छी आपण मेनली कथा आपण स्टे कोन पय पचर छी स्टे टा आपण बिकॉज़ खाली डिस्टेंस वी आर वर्किंग इन प्राइवेट कंपनी यू कांट गो टू द कोर्ट राइट दैट्स व्हाट हां तो आपण ट्रांसफर के कर दो ना केस ट्रांसफर पे एप्लीकेशन कर दो ना
नहीं से आमे रेस्टिट्यूशन कंजुअल राइट्स फाइल
अरे
करछि
सर ट्रांसफर कथा को जी ट्रांसफर टा सेटू जो कोर्ट रॉन्ग कोर्ट जे भाबु छे जुरिडिक्शनल कोर्ट नुहे तो ट्रांसफर करे आनो नांती ढेंकानाल को से तो संबलपुर वाला ढेंकानाल जल्दी पहुंचबो ट्रांसफर तो फाइल करो तू
नहीं ट्रांसफर से रहिबा को चाहूनी
भगवान आपण भाभी
से
के आसो दुईटा वाला
thirty-
प्रोसेस नहीं हला ठीक पढंतु फाइल डाउट अछि काका पचरंतु भले बुझी के आसनु कहबी आफ्टर लंच हला आउट के पढंतु फाइल
oblige
पूरा फाइल थोरली पढी ना जाबो
yes oblige
मोर एटा मेरिट रे एटा आर्गुमेंट करवा केस नुहे एटा मेरिट रे एबे नुहे एबे तो फास्ट मु तको स्टे देबी न देबी डिसाइड करबी ना आपण से बाकी से रहइबा को चाहूनी जीवा को चाहूची एटा मु कोन करबी पछे देखिया सेटा आपण को सजेशन हला जब क्लाइंट से कथा हंतु ये तोर चाकरी जदी करछु ढेंकानाल से रहउची ना
आया
ढेंकानाल केस ट्रांसफर कर जाना घर कोठी आपण करे
नहीं ऑलरेडी डीपी डिस्पोज ऑफ सलाने आउट ट्रांसफर
ओहो अच्छा अच्छा
डीपी अगेंस्ट क्रिमिनल अपील फाइल हला
एजुकेशन टा चलची एटी
आया
Okay, stay of the education. Since the petitioner is working in a private company which doesn't have the, I mean, where he may not get the chance to appear before the court, Asian court, at Balesar,
at Baleswar
at Balesar. Hence, the petitioner has filed the present this case bearing this case number 163 of 2023 pending in the sorry. The one seeks to stay the proceedings of execution this case number 163 of 2023 pending file of non-decision by result till the disposal of the revision in proceeding of the revisions. रिवीजन केसरा मेरिट था हला तपरे देखो where is that impugn order judgment annex 4
order 6
just
July
just
2020
a minute, sir. ₹3,000 to aggrieved person number 2. Who is that?
My lord.
Who is the aggrieved person number 2?
Aggrieved person number 2,
He is
3,000.
sir K.
Poor.
Poor.
I.
OPs have been directed to pay ₹5,000 as compensation for the domestic violence caused to the aggrieved person. 5,000 for so the lady is
5,000
working.
for
Where is she
all the
working? You are saying?
opposite party in-laws.
In-laws को देवे
Yes.
5,000.
In-laws, husband and father-in-law, mother-in-law.
एमने देवे काहा को देवे
5,000 each
काहा को देवे
to opposite party to the agreed persons, both mother and a son.
mother कौन चाकरी करची
Mother is nurse, government nurse at
Government
Burla.
must be getting more than 40,000 50,000 state ठीक है state state okay government nurse must be getting not less than 50,000 rupees a month and ଆପଣଙ୍କର କୋଉ company କାମ କରନ୍ତି
Hello.
ଆପଣ କୋଉ company କାମ କରନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର client କୋଉଠି କାମ करे କୋଉ company ରେ
Nabram ଗୋଟେ iron factory
କଣ କଣ କଣ
11,000 something.
କଣ କାମ କଣ
uh,
କୋଉ ଚାକିରି କରୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କଣ કરે ଜାଣନ୍ତିନି ଆପଣ ଆଉ ନ ଜାଣିଲେ କେମିତି ଆପଣ ପଇସା କେତେ ଦେଇ ପାରିବେ ବୋଲି କେମିତି ଏସେସ୍ କରିବେ ତାଠୁ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କଣ କରୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଉ ଫିସ୍ ଟା ଦେବ କେମିତି ଏସେସ୍ କରିବେ କଣ করে ଜାଣିବେନି ସେ କଣ କଣ କାମ କଣ କରେ
technician.
ଟେକ୍ନିସିଆନ
Actor.
ହଉ stay कर दे yes the matter on 6th November ହେଲା ଆଉ କଣ ଦରକାର ଏତିକି ଆଉ କିଛି ଆଉ କଣ କରିବି କୁହନ୍ତୁ
I state.
କିଏ ପରେ କଲି ଆଉ କଣ କିଛି ଆଉ ଅଛି କିଛି next
Item 5.
5
My lord, I am for the petitioner. I pray for short adjournment because I found some typographical error.
okay 6 one
Yes.
let it come after holidays
Okay.
so you want to withdraw it
No, we want to rectify the errors.
right so 6 1 week time to rectify the typographical error in the petition accordingly 1 week time is granted to the petitioner to rectify the errors and list the matter on 2nd November
Oblige.
Item 6.
6
May I, please your lordship. My lord, this is a matter relating to the outstanding dues in the UK bank, your lordship, bank matter. Here, your
ଆପଣ କା ପାଇଁ
lordship. My lord,
ଆପଣ କା ପାଇଁ
I'm the loanee or guarantor by
loanee and guarantor both
both your lordship. Because the Father of the loanee,
Eco Bank
Eco Bank, your lords.
Eco Bank you take notice first time asi
First time I see, and I am ready to settle the matter, my lord's order.
kete tanga outstanding kete
ମୁଁ ନେଇଥିଲି sir
ଗୋଟେ
4
copy ଟା
ଲକ୍ଷ
ଦେଲେ ସିନା ସେ କରିବ
ମୁଁ କପି ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି just ଦେଇଦେବି
କେତେ loan କେତେ
loan
outstanding
outstanding loan ସେମାନେ notice ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ହଜୁର as per annexure 1 ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସୁଦ୍ଧା ମୁଁ ବାକି ଅଛି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ କି 4,14,74 something
ଆପଣ ଦେଇଦେବେ ସବୁ
ମୁଁ ତ 4 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଲୋନ ଆଣିକିରି already ସୁଝି ସାରିଲିଣି
ଆଉ interest ଟା
but
କିଏ ଦବ?
ହଁ ସେ
ସେଟା ଖାଲି
for
loan
that my lord
ସୁଝି
ସେମାନେ compound
interest ଟା
କରୁଛନ୍ତି
କିଏ ଦବ ସେଟା କହିବେ
my lord my
କେବେ ଆଣିଥିଲେ loan ଟା 4 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା
ଏଟା 2005 ମସିହା
2005 4 ଲକ୍ଷ
my lord ready to pay my lord compound interest ହେଇଯାଉଛି my lord settle
କେମିତି ହବ ଆଉ ତମେ ସୁଝି ଦେଲେଣି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ
no I am ready to pay
ଏଇଟା
but
କେବେ ଦେବେ କେତେ ମାସରେ ଦେବେ ମୁଁ ସେ
instruction ଆସିଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ discussion କରିଦେବି ହଜୁର ମୁଁ ଦେବା ready ଅଛନ୍ତି within 1 to 2 months ଭିତରେ ଦେଇଦେବେ ସେମାନେ ବାପା ବି ମରିଗଲା
land council for the petitioner submits that he is ready and willing to settle the outstanding amount with the bank within a period of 2 months from today
2 months ନା 3 ମାସ କରିଥାନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ତ
1 month from today
my lord sorry ବୁଝି ନାହିଁ କାରଣ 4 ଲକ୍ଷ
bargaining
ଦିଟା ଅଛି ସାର୍ ଦିଟା କେସ୍ ଦି ଭାଇର ଦୁଇଟା କେସ୍ ଗୋଟେ 4 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ 3 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ତେଣୁକରି 7 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ତ ସାର୍
ମୁଁ 2 ଲକ୍ଷ 2 ମାସ ଲେଖା ଦଉଛି ହେଲା 2 ମାସ
ଟିକେ ଅଧିକା ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଭଲ ଥାନ୍ତା
ଆଉ ଆପଣ ସେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା they may consider
2 months and land council bank to take instruction sir apna
yes
instruction the matter list matter on 16 लगे दूसरा 16
हो जो
16 पर देखिए
number
कॉपी दे दे
हां just copy sir
copy sir from the council of the Eco Bank within the procedure next
Item 7.
Insurance amount is not paid. I made the claim before the insurance company. Insurance company rejected on the ground of limitation. I approached the ombudsman. Malada,
claim केते दिन पर कले आपण कोन हेतिला कोन दिबे
wife, husband died.
हां
Husband expired.
इंश्योरेंस करथिले आपण
Yes, LIC.
LIC
हां हेतला लक्ष टका रहितला से एक्सपायर करि गला
को इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी माने स्कीम थे लागि
स्कीम
आपण आधा आधा कहीं कहते पूरा पूरी कहंदेनी को में ओई स्कीम अंडर रे करा जायतिला इंश्योरेंस ए लोक मला एंदी कहबे सीधा
जीवन लक्ष्य पॉलिसी जीवन लक्ष्य
कहबे ना से स्कीम न कहले म कि जानि
जीवन लक्ष्य पॉलिसी
आ कहबे ना सब आपण किछि गोटे लाइन रे 1-2 लाइन भीतर कहबा पे सब प्रैक्टिस करि आसी जदि आपण को अभ्यास नै गलो दर्पण सामने रे डेली 3-4 थर कहबे पूरा फटाफट आमे सेंदी करथु प्रैक्टिस कला स्टार्टिंग से करथु दर्पण सामने से पूरा घोसी ददु फास्ट आ सुप्रीम कोर्ट रे आ एंदी ओले पे टाइम जानदिनी एंदी छडा हो डिसमिस्ड एनु पूरा घोसी जायदि धा कहबे आ मेन पॉइंट सब कहबे बायलाइन पॉइंट आपण उल्टा पहला बायलाइन पॉइंट टिप लाइन पॉइंट हाईवे पॉइंट छाडी दियंती सब हाईवे को आगे धरिबे ना तबे कोन एबे पूरा 2 लाइन रे कोन
husband died. I made the claim.
हलानी इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी कोथरे नै लागो
insurance policy before life insurance corporation and जीवन लक्ष्य policy.
हां जीवन लक्ष्य पॉलिसी इंश्योरेंस एटा गवर्नमेंट स्कीम थिला
Yes madam, life insurance corporation.
गवर्नमेंट स्कीम किछि थिला
No
गवर्नमेंट वो स्कीम आजकल कोछ सेति में अच्छा जीवन लक्ष्य पॉलिसी एटा व्हाट इज कवर पॉलिसी कवर केते
1 lakh.
1 lakh
Yes.
okay so that policy was that was
Policy holder expired.
during the currency of the policy
Yes.
expired
Yes.
3-4 जिंस मन रखिथांतु the policy taken and he expired during the currency of the policy that is more important
Yes.
and when did you claim that तीनटा जिंस important
Yes.
कि डाटा आपण सबळ आपण फाइल ऊपर लिखि के आनथिबे जोडा आपण करंती नाही केबे मते फाइल देखले ऊपर देखले ठीक है देखले फ्रंट पेज गोटे लाइन ले लिखि दांती पेंसिल ले पेंसिल नहीं जंतु दे दे पेंसिल कैच दे पेंसिल दे दिया
आनी भी लिखि
मो तरफ गोटे पेंसिल गिफ्ट
लिखि गाड़ी
नहीं पेंसिल दे पेंसिल हां या आ पेंसिल लिखि गाने ने मते दे फर्स्ट फ्रंट देखेबे तापर आर्ग्यू करिवे आपण से छाड़ देला होनी सब दिन तो कोर्ट को आछन एतकी करू नांती
सर लिखि गाड़ी
एबे कोन
The policy holder died during the continuance of the policy.
Okay.
I made the claim before the insurance company.
When?
Insurance company
When it,
in 22.
After how many days?
22.
After 22 days.
No, in 2022.
When did he die?
In 2015.
এই তো কথা
Yes, my lord. He claim was rejected on ground of a limitation.
ସେ ମଲେ 2015 ରେ ଆପଣ
Yes, sir.
ଆସିଲେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କୁ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ 2022 ରେ 7 ବର୍ଷ ଏତେ ଶୀଘ୍ର କାଇଁ ଆସିଲେ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଲେଟ୍ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ
ସେ ଭାବିଲା ଯେ ପଲିସି ବୋଧେ ଗଲା ପରେ କ୍ଲେମ
ପଲିସି ହିସାବରେ ଯିବେ ଆପଣ
ନାଇଁ ସେ ଭାବିଲା ପିରିୟଡ ଟା
ଭାବିବାରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଭାବିବେ ତ କିଛି ଭାବିପାରିବେ ସେ ତ କୁବେର ବୋଲି ନିଜକୁ କାଇଁ ଭାବିଲାନି ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ କାଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲା ଭାବି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତା ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କୁବେର ମୁଁ ଯିବିନି ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ହେଲା କାଇଁ ସେ ପଇସା ପାଇଁ ଗଲା ତାହେଲେ 7 ବର୍ଷ ଡିଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ yes କୁହନ୍ତୁ ରିଜନ ଟା ଡିଲେ ର
ସେ ଫର that reason that policy period ହେଇଛି has not expired
7 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ କେମିତି ଇଏ କରିବ ଆପଣ କହିବେ ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ମୂର୍ଖ ଥିଲି ମୁଁ ଗାଁର ଲୋକ ମୁଁ ରଷ୍ଟିକ ଭିଲେଜର I didn't know the law
ombudsman on that ground on this ground has not rejected it. Ombudsman has rejected saying that though writ petition has been disposed by this honorable court, he said the matter is sub judice. On this ground, claim has been rejected. Writ petition and dispose of the direction to dispose of representation.
Oh my God, representation तो खाईगला संसार को.
ऐसा सेटा थिला परा ता संगे क्लेम फॉर्म ता.
आगे सेटा कहिले नि जेगिरी आपण इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को न जेगिरी एठी को पे आस्तिली.
इंश्योरेंस कंपनी फास्ट तम तले क्लेम कलु डिले हला रिट फाइल हला रिट पर डायरेक्शन हला तम
आपण से कोन छडा ओम्बुड्समैन कोन से काटला आई एम लिस्ट बदर आपण डिले काई एते 7 वर्ष काई दिले मु डिले को धरछि
delay for that reason I waited that the police period has not maturity date has not come
माने policy period maturity थला कि
maturity date ता तर गोटे था ना सर
आपण को एटा लिंक थिबो ना डेथ लिंक थिबो डेथ लिंक थला maturity period को वेट करा जाय नि आपण को वेट करे जोरा सेटा जे सब डेथ न हला यस खाली 1% की below 1% over death होती है जो ना डेथ होनी साने वेट करिवे टिल द मैच्योर पॉलिसी पीरियड इज मैच्योर्ड जा डेथ हला से तो इमीडिएटली ताको गिव बैंक
वाइफ वेट
इंश्योरेंस कंपनी जो हां
नो मिसकंसेप्शन है वेटेड
कौन करे आपन कर लोगडा
आई ओम्बुड्समैन रिजेक्टेड द मैटर इज सब जुडिस बट मैटर इज नॉट सब जुडिस
अब ये लोगडा कोन करे
मैडम
ये लोगडा कोन ई जो ता वाइफ ता कोन करे
सीए के दुकान देथला
कौन
दुकान ग्रोसरी तो
if you notice so the division manager LIC देखो the husband of the petitioner आपण एदी डैड केस गुडा कोड मिलिया आपण सब केस आपण एदी सब डैड अधा डैड केस हाफ मरा हुआ दरमरा केस गुडा नहीं गया आदमी कोर्ट को केस रो दियंतियो किछि ढंगर केस
अरे बंची दिवा आछन ना
आपनकर केस कथा कहू लोक कथा कहू केस
नहीं सर से केस कथा कहू
अधारो अधिक केस आपण दरमरा केस
सर बंची दिवा आछन सर
आपण को तो मु करे देबी बोलथुबे आपण निजे मना करिया कथा 10 चेष्टा करियो ठीक मु कहूनी पर एते डिलेटा केंती कंट्रोल करिवे इंश्योरेंस कंपनी करिवे केंती ए ओम्बुड्समैन कोन कले छाडंदो ओम्बुड्समैन कोन अधा ओम्बुड्समैन तांगर से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फेवर दियंती लगो द हस्बैंड ऑफ द पिटिशनर had taken a Jeevan Lakshya policy floated by LIC with policy number 5971881193. I repeat 5971881193 and the sum assured was rupees 1 lakh. The policy commenced on 28/3/2015 and is due to mature on 28/3/2030. The petitioner being the nominee of the policy holder has approached this court when her claim was rejected by the insurance company. And though the petitioner, husband died on 22nd November 2015 at the hospital, the petitioner obtained the death certificate on 23/1/2016 and approached the insurance company for insurance company approach
8/4/22
Huh?
8/4/22
8/4/22, which is much after after 7 years. After about 7 years. Hala. The ground for the delay as stated by the petitioner is that the petitioner being a illiterate and rustic villager doesn't have the idea that the policy taken by her can be used for claim for the death of the husband. And she was under the impression that since the policy is maturing in the year 2030, before that, the claiming of the amount might not be possible. Full stop. So in such under such impression, the petitioner did not approach the insurance company in time. Considering let me do one thing. Dispose of kar douchi.
sir ଟଙ୍କାଟା deposit ହେଇକି ଅଛି
ମୁଁ ଧରିଛି ଟଙ୍କା deposit ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏମିତି lenient view ନେଇକି ଦେବେ ବୋଲି ଲେଖିକି dispose of କରିଦଉଛି ନା ଆସନ୍ତୁ ସାରା let the insurance company. So sorry. But since and later she approached to the ombudsman for redressal of her grievance, but the ombudsman also rejected her grievance on the ground that there is a repetition sub judice in the court. Though delay was also a major factor, also issue notice to the opposite parties, insurance company, opposite party, no 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. Hello, no 3, no 1 and 2. Ki achi LIC ra achindi ki
LIC ର usually appears ପ୍ରକାଶ ରଞ୍ଜନ ବାରିକ ଆଉ ଶିବା ମହାନ୍ତିଙ୍କ ଭାଇ ନା
LIC
ପ୍ରକାଶ ରଞ୍ଜନ ବାରିକ
ଆପଣ LIC ପାଇଁ
My senior Prakash Kumar Mahanti was empaneled of LIC.
Give her a copy then.
Obliged.
Let a copy of the petition be served on Mr. Prakash Kumar Barik.
Mohanty.
Sorry, Mohanty. Barik बोल दूसरा Mohanty को Barik बना दूँ. Mohanty.
ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ କହୁଥିଲି
Mohanty है ना? Who usually appears for the LIC. List matter on 16th hours. 16th.
Alright.
Copy दे दिया तुम.
Alright.
अब ना करो.
Sudha Maidas. Sudha Maidas.
Miss Sudha Maidas waves of notice on behalf of the on behalf of Mr. Mahanty. Give a copy.
Alright.
Take instruction if it is possible. Yeah, poor villagers sometimes they don't know. 1 lakh rupees they should give it. Take instruction, otherwise pass order. They have to give it. Hala? No legality. Technicality should consider. Hala? Next.
Item 8.
8.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, without following up the natural justice, the OP number 2 straightaway terminated my service. Under Annex 2, I have challenging.
what are you doing?
My lord, initially I was appointed as a Sikha Shaika on 11/11/2012. After 3 years, completion of 3 years, I was junior teacher. All of a sudden, my wife suicide.
Okay.
After suicide, the offense was given on 354, 498A, 303 and 304B. I am convicted. That order was challenged before this honorable court. This honorable court granting stay. Without following of the natural justice, the open number 2 terminated my service under Annex 2, page 12, my lord.
What natural justice you should give? You are a permanent employee?
No.
Your post was regularized?
No, my lord. I am a contractual employee. Natural justice to follow kariye nahi.
My lord, in this case, I am for the state.
हाँ.
And here, he was
natural justice follow kale nahi.
he has been convicted on section 302. And once convicted, there is not necessary to issue any notice. However, notice was issued. The rejection order clearly reveals that 30 days notice was issued.
Come to the rejection order.
Again, annexure 2, page 12. He is a contractual employee.
Yeah.
And as per the agreement and engagement letter, also no notice is required.
You have been served notice, sir.
Yes. And 311 of Constitution.
How do you say not natural justice violation?
No, my lord.
No, come to the order, page 13.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, it is there. You have been served notice.
My lord, can you see?
You have submitted a reply also.
Yes.
And whereas job nature of Sri Surya Chandra Singh,
they can do that.
my lord, I pray Lord to kindly issue notice, my lord.
No, why should I issue notice on this? Notice ka kaun issue?
My kindly see, your lord,
you are saying natural justice. You have been given opportunity. You have filed a reply, and now say you are not.
My lord, kindly see page 6, my lord.
You know law very well. The conviction allowed jail
page 6.
ଯଦି ବି ଦେଇନି ତାହେଲେ ବି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଯଦି ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇ ନଥିବେ notice still they are
not required
my lord kindly see page 6 ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ଯାହା କରିବେ I have filed a criminal appeal before this honorable court.
Yes.
File करता criminal appeal conviction देखना राहुल गांधी रो conviction हेगला पड़ेगला membership पद तापर सुप्रीम कोर्ट कला पर तकड़ा ये हला सांगे सांग पड़ेला हाई कोर्ट गला जाय भी अटकिलानी ता एठी आपण
नहीं आपण स्टे देई सकते आपण स्टे देई सकते नहीं आपण स्टे देई सकते आगे देखो ना annex 6 page 6 था
my lord unless and until conviction will not be stayed
there shall be a stay of realization of the
fine not conviction conviction is to be stayed
page 6 there shall be a stay of relation of any amount imposed by the law on the appellant till disposal of the criminal law.
कौन लिखा है आगे लाइन दे पढ़ंतु बुझंतु त ठीक है किछि भी कहि दउ छथि नहीं सेंटेंस को बुझंतु स्टे रियलाइजेशन ऑफ फाइन डजन इज अमाउंट टू स्टे
नहीं
एदरे म नोटिस इशू करबिन ए नोटिस कला वाला नै अननेसेसरी टाइम वेस्ट
ताले आई प्रे लॉट टू कल टेकन नेक्स्ट वीक
ना नेक्स्ट वीक
ना आफ्टर लॉन्च रखंतु
आफ्टर लॉन्च कांटेक्ट फेड बदली जीवो आउट एंड वेस्ट करियो
सो आई प्रे लॉट
से समय वेट कला
नहीं वन चांस
नहीं
आफ्टर लॉन्च
एबे आर्गुमेंट करिवे न एबे का डिस्कस
आफ्टर लॉन्च
ना आफ्टर लॉन्च
आई एम डिस्कशन विथ माय सीनियर
हो आफ्टर लॉन्च आफ्टर लंच सॉरी से पळे गले आ कुआडे निके जूनियर आसी कहबो आज्ञा मोर
नहीं,
सीनियर
नहीं,
बाहरे किछि सुनिबिनी मु जूनियर आपण थिले आपण आर्ग्यू कले बोली लिखि दी जान आपण आर्ग्यू तो करछथि आ एपिसोड गेले आर्ग्यू करबे ले सासबो सीरियल चलछि आपण आधा एपिसोड आज एपिसोड टिके काली एपिसोड टिके
नहीं नहीं सेमती होनी
ना से जो आपके अदालत
सेमती होनी
आर्ग्यू खत्म कर दिस नेक्स्ट
Item 9.
9
The petition seeks a direction for settlement of outstanding dues of the UCO
you are for
Bank.
the petitioner.
Yes, I am for the petitioner.
What is the outstanding?
Outstanding dues as per Annexure 6, page 27, 16,86,082.
16 lakh
86,082.
Okay. सेती आपण outstanding अछि
Again.
तो असुविधा कोन हला
Yeah, Annexure.
देउ तो पैसा
Actually, I have already paid till March 2023. The loan has been sanctioned in year March 2020, and I have frequently paid all EMIs till 31st March.
frequently पे करले तो फिर आयते नगद आइला कोन भाई
Yeah, I have
कोठी तो कोन गड़बड़ करछु तारे
no,
जे
no, madam. No, madam.
हां नो केंदी गेली
Because madam, I have Annexure.
रेगुलर कोन पे आसीबो ए कोर्ट दा आवे जो
आगे।
दरकार पड़े किछि तो थिबो प्रॉब्लम
आज्ञा Annexure 4 जोटा से रिप्रेजेंटेशन सेटा मु मोर जेतल 31st मार्च पर्यंत देली तापर गोटे रिप्रेजेंटेशन टे देली जे मु चाहूची एंटायर अमाउंट टा सेटल करिया पई थ्रू ओटीएस स्कीम और एनी अदर स्कीम
सर सबु केस रे ओटीएस देबे बैंक वाला ताले आ ओटीएस स्कीम रो माने कोन जदी सपोज आपण का फाइल रे सबु लाइन अंडरलाइन करिवे इम्पोर्टेंट कहते जूनियर माने कहते अंडरलाइन करछु सबु लाइन अंडरलाइन करिवा जहा न करिवा टे से सेम जगह एटा एक्जेक्टली सेम थी
मु ऑलरेडी 50% एबव पेड कर सरछि बाकी
तो व्हाट
बाकी तो मु चाहूची गोटे
थर ओटीएस बैंक वाला देबे ताला फिर ओटीएस माने कोन रहला ओटीएस उठे दवा कथा ता
कोविड पीरियड रे बहुत कष्ट रे मु देछि
समस्या आपण कष्ट हेनि सर पृथ्वी समस्या कष्ट हेनि स्टिल लोन तो लोन ना पब्लिक मनी तो अच्छा गोटे कथा कहू कोविड पीरियड रे बैंक माने तांको डिपॉजिट इंटरेस्ट बंद कर देले ना देले बंद करना ना कोविड पीरियड कौन सी लोक को जो डिपॉजिट रखे तार इंटरेस्ट दिया होनी पहला बैंक आपण ए पैसा तो नहीं सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट देउछि ना डिपॉजिटर को हां डिपॉजिटर एटा कमी गला रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कमिला किंतु काहा को तो मना करनी डिपॉजिट मना करछि ना किंतु आपण को तो किंतु देला बैंक ऑप्शन नहीं आपण एति दिन मोराटोरियम पीरियड डिक्लेयर कला एति दिन सर न देले आपण एति दिन पर दे दे मिडल चांस किंतु आपण डिपॉजिटर मान तो मोराटोरियम न दिले इनी कहला
आई एम विलिंग एंड रेडी टू पे द अमाउंट
तो पे कर
दे जे गोटे टाइम मते दियंतु सेटलमेंट करके मु दे
ओके बैंक वाला इको बैंक थिले देबे ए गोटे काम कर केते दिन भीतर देबे सेटल नॉट
यस मते
भीतर देबे
मु कॉपी गोटे दे दूची
हां कॉपी तो देले त पैसा केबे देबे कोन संगे संगे लिखि देबे से कॉपी रे ना एति देबे
मते सर 3 मास टाइम दियंतु
3 मास केते टका
मु दीटा इंस्टॉलमेंट रे 3 टा
टोटल
16 लाख टका
टोटल आउ किछि नै
एति टोटल
बाय मार्च 16 लाख केबे आज ऑन टुडे
16 लाख
हां आज ऑन टुडे और कोन बढ़ी जेते बस
आज ऑन 21 9 23 आज ऑन 21 9 23
21 9 23
Annexure 6
okay so will you take instruction
Yes, sir.
if it is I mean the bank has no problem if he pays within 3 months just check it
Yes.
then I will pass on learn with the bank learn the petitioner to solve a copy of the petition of the bank to take instruction regarding the ready and willingness of the petitioner ए वाटा बहुत सुनु जे से थोड़े होनी ready and willingness to pay the entire outstanding dues within a period of 3 months. The bank to take instruction. If the proposal is acceptable, if the proposal and the time frame is acceptable to the bank or not.
Yes.
Take instruction and list the matter on 16th, 17th.
Yes.
Item number 10.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, in this case, I have limited prayer before your lordship that wife of the petitioner number 1 who has died in a road accident and who was serving as a constable at the BSF. And petitioner number 2 is the only minor daughter, and she is the legal heir of the deceased. But in the insurance amount, the nominee is mentioned by the deceased is her brother. But your lordship, after the death, the petitioner number 2 is only the legal heir, and she is entitled for the
Heir.
Yes.
Legal heir.
Yes, your lordship, legal heir, and she is entitled for the amount. As she is only 10 months, I pray your lordship that the amount not to disperse in the for of petitioner number.
Who is the nominee? Brother.
Yes, brother is the nominee, and he is opposite party number 5.
5.
Yes.
Brother, one brother कौन करे? So dependent brother नहीं था?
No. He is about 30 age.
But is he dependent brother?
No, your lordship.
His own family.
Yes.
Look. The petitioner has filed the petition.
Insurance is at annexure 3. Insurance is at annexure 3, your lordship.
कितने टका?
It's a life insurance amount that the coverage is not written here, but only policy number is written.
Again, with the gratuity amount and the claim amount under Golden Jubilee Sima Prahari Kalyan
Scheme.
Kavach scheme.
Yes.
Golden Jubilee Sima Prahari Kalyan Kavach scheme to the petitioner on account of death of his wife, death of the wife of the petitioner.
Petitioner number 1.
Petitioner 1.
One is the husband.
Petitioner one is husband.
Yes.
Husband नारे रखने थे
No.
ता भाई नारे रखते थे.
Yes.
Was serving as a constable having personal the policy number.
Personal number is 1.
Personal number. Okay.
Yes.
Personal number 1415044 under the border security force posted under number 2.
Yes. Kisan Nagar. Kisanganj. At Kisanganj.
Necessary. Okay. However, the petitioner had kept nominee. This is the brother of the deceased.
Deceased.
Brother of the deceased.
Brother of the
Husband
deceased.
of Orissa nahi.
No, brother of the deceased is nominee, and the minor daughter is there. Who is the
Okay,
only
brother of the
legal heir
deceased.
of the deceased.
Brother of the deceased, who is the nominee? The insurance company. OP number कहते हैं?
Insurance company OP number 3, your lordship.
OP number 3 is not disbursing the amount
In favor of the
in favor of the
petitioner number 2.
petitioner and the minor daughter, as the nominee is
Brother.
is
Opposite party 5.
deceased brother, right? So issue notice to OP number
4 and 5, father and brother there.
company insurance company करेंगे? OP देंगे.
I'll serve your lordship.
So you are for the insurance company.
Union of India.
Union of India. Union of India is come.
Because BSF to Union of India.
We don't have anything. That is, I mean, between the insurance company and the person whose name it is. There.
Yes.
It is between this between the
Group insurance of
but you don't have any role. Central government has nothing to say. ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଣ ପଇସା ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ସେ କିଏ ଦେବେ କିଏ ପାଇବ କିଏ ନ ପାଇବ that is the issue ଅଛି. The issue is not with respect to whether central government ଦେଇ ନଥାନ୍ତା central government already insurance company କୁ regular ଦିଆ ହଉଛି. Insurance company ଦେବ group insurance scheme ଟା. ତେଣୁ you have no role. So issue number it is 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
I think issue notice of 3, 4, 5 by registered post. Oriental insurance क्या थी?
Lordship, there is an IA for stay, not to disburse the insurance
In the
amount.
meantime, the amounts, the claim amount and the gratuity amount shall not be disbursed to the
4 and 5.
to 4 and 5. 4,
Till
5 ki, 4 ki.
4 father.
The father.
Yes.
Semi nominee.
No, father is there, but
The father will come by the house.
nominee is only brother.
Nominee is 5.
Yes.
So OP number 5, the nominee.
Till the age
The
of
nominee
maturity.
Slash OP number 5.
Lordship, till the age of maturity should be mentioned.
Huh?
Because ଝିଅଟା 10 ମାସର only.
Huh?
The legal heir is only about 10 months.
तो बापा को दिया वो अबे तो बापा will take
He
care
is
of
the father guardian, yes.
your petitioner is the father ना
Yes,
तो
petitioner
petitioner को दिया
is the
वो
father guardian.
हाँ बस 10 year old तो
10 months.
10 months 10 month वाले से केवे mature हो से तो रखी थी ना father को तो release कर दिया okay next
Oblige, your lordship. Date. Next.
date list the matter on 13th November
Oblige.
Item 11.
11
May I please, Your Lordship? Lord, here the petitioner is the widow wife of the police holder, my lord. The police was under the scheme of Jiban Anand, and sum assured was 5 lakhs. And the police was to be matured in the year 2023, my lord. Now the husband, the police holder, expired on 28/6/2020.
this is 2023 केवे सेड़ा कोई भी ना हो
I am saying
कोई date रे mature
28/6/2023 रे expired.
mature कोई साल
Yes, no, expired करी गले.
कौन
Husband expired करी गले.
भाई policy टा maturity कथा कहूली ना
33 रे mature करियो.
33 not 20 I thought 20 about 23 कहला
No.
anyway okay so what is the problem
Problem is, my lord, the before the marriage, the police was there, and the nominee was the brother of the deceased. So now the nominee is trying to take the amount and enjoy it.
is the dependent nominee
No, my lord.
brother is what is he
No.
doing? He is doing something
Yes, he is independent.
independent
Yes.
no more doing.
No.
So you
And the
you say that they
my
wife should get-
mother-in-law and father-in-law are alive. I have also added them as the party of 4 and
आपने
5.
you legal error सब देखी
Legally, I have applied, but till date, my lord, I have not.
legal error
applied.
देखी insurance company तो जीबी आ ऐसी कोर्ट ट्रायल कौन सब कोर्ट को पड़े
My lord, they are not allowing me to say something because the nominee is the brother. They are saying that if he is the nominee, we will divorce.
So the petitioner challenges the election of the opposite part number 1 and 2 for not settling the claim of LIC policy number 573877173. In favor of the petitioner, she is the brother of the
deceased.
This is the nominee. OP number kate?
OP number 3 euros.
Slash OP number 3 is the nominee in the case. And the insurance company is not settling the claim because that in favor of the present petitioner because there is a nominee. Because the brother of the petitioner is the nominee.
Brother of the deceased.
Deceased, sorry, I'm sorry.
Deceased,
The brother of
deceased
deceased
policy holder.
The policy holder, the nominee. Brother of the policy holder is the nominee. Issue notice to OP number 1, 2, 1.
2 and 3 are the.
Okay, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 4, 5 case.
4, 5 is the mother-in-law and father-in-law. They are the LRC lords.
Okay.
Not necessary to issue notice.
3, 4, 5. That's something. This is the matter on 6th November. IA.
IA for stay of disbursement, your lordship.
No, in the meantime, there shall be stay of the the nominee is restrained. OP number 3. No?
My lord.
OP number 3.
Yes, your lordship.
OP number 3 is restrained to OP number sorry, the bank LIC. LIC is restrained. LIC OP number 1 and 2. OP number 1
Yes.
and 2 is restrained to.
So one is the competent authority.
Disburse any amount. 1 and 2 is restrained to give disburse the amount to the nominee.
Oblige.
OP number. This is number 6 next.
Oblige.
Item 12.
Please, your lordship.
12.
This is for non-compliance of the.
I may pardon me, lord. The counsel for appearing for the LIC But I may solve the copy on it for OP number 1 and 2.
Sure. The Mr. Mahanti का नाम होगा
PK Mahanti.
हाँ?
PK Mahanti.
PK
Prakash Kumar Mahanti.
PK Mahanti. Who is usually a place for the election, who is present in the South India.
Obliged.
Next.
Item 12.
For non-compliance of the order under annex at page 30, the relevant page is page 36. It dated 16/5/2023.
What is the order? What is the order?
Page 36, to give me appointment under the Shiksha Sahayak. Page 36 is the relevant page.
Yes, what is the answer?
My lord, in this case, for the past tense matter has come. He has communicated this order in the month of July. So let me obtain instruction 15 days time may be granted.
In the month of May, my lord.
The state
No time stipulated.
granted 1 month time to comply with the order, failing which the secretary
School and massive.
the contender shall be present personally through virtual mode.
Your statement say if there is no legal impediment.
Yes,
Then-
yes. Well, because of period, shall be considered qualification.
Yes. There is no time stipulated.
Consider the case of the petitioner like
Yes.
Is the petitioner for
Simply-
appointment as
simply
Shiksha Sahayak.
Take like him, take instruction. Okay.
Yes.
Consider is not a
Consider and no time also stipulated.
Consider is not a positive order. So
Time is always reasonable.
consider is not a positive order. Consider let them consider first. Within 1 month, to consider within to comply with the order within 1 month.
Okay.
List the matter. November 15th. Next.
Item 13.
May I please your lordships. Lord, this is the may permitted to VC your lordships. This is the 5th day of hearing. Lord, the bank promised to give me a piece of land. I deposited 2017 27 lakhs.
Bank promised to give you land.
Yes,
Bank
lordship.
କେଉଁଠି promise କଲାନି?
Lord, the auction process ରେ ଆମେ succession ହେଇକିରି ପାଇଲୁ 27 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା deposit କଲୁ।
बैंक promise ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
letter, ଆଜ୍ଞା,
bank
letter
କେବେ promise
କରିଛନ୍ତି।
କଲାନି ଆମକୁ ମାଇଲା ଖଣ୍ଡେ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ହବ। promise ଯଦି କରୁଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା 27 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା deposited
So
2017।
basically you are the auction purchaser.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆଇ କହୁନ ଏଇ ଭାଷା କହିବା ଆସୁନି? promise ଏମିତି କହୁଛ? You are always day and night you are appearing for this what is that tender matter and you are not using the legal word properly.
Sorry, my lord. I'm learning a bit.
You should say I am the auction purchaser.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Lord, the bank, I requested the bank to give some instruction. They did not supply. I returned back the file to given the letter to the bank to take back the file. The reason because there.
I didn't. So you are no more in this case.
Because 2-3 times I requested them and communicated letter. Since they are not unable to give the instruction.
Which bank?
Canara Bank.
Canara Bank. Co-branch.
Lord, this is the Bolangir branch.
Okay. Let Canara Bank, Bolangir branch manager, Canara Bank, Bolangir, be personally present through virtual mode on 17th at 2 p.m. Let him. Next.
Item 14.
Item
Through
14.
virtual. 14.
Item 14, my lord, may appear this matter taken up some other day. Mr. Ponda is appearing in this case, but the client has yesterday I got the information that they have taken consent from Ponda A file is also not with me.
Hmm.
They want to engage me, therefore I pray for some time.
They want to engage you. Okay. Lord Counsel, the petitioner. Well, see the non-appears for the petitioner.
Non-appears ଟା ଠିକ ହବନି।
ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କଲେଣି ଓକାଲତ ନା?
ମୁଁ କରିବି ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ
ଆପଣ
କରୁଛି।
କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ତ ନନ୍ କହିବି ନା କଲେ ବୋଲି କହିବି?
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ହଁ
ଯୋଉଟା
ଅନ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ କହିଦଉଛି। ଅନ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ Lord Counsel. Submit that. ଆପଣ appearance ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। appearance slip ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
appearance ମୁଁ ଏବେ ରେଡି କରିନି ମୁଁ ଦେବି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା appearance slip ଟେ କାଗଜରେ ଲେଖିଦେବାର ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି? ହଁ ନାଁ କେମିତି ଲେଖିବି? ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଜାଣିନି, very sorry. I may not be knowing many name of many. So give the names, ନାଁ ଲେଖିଦେବି। On instruction, submit that. The client has taken NOC from the earlier counsel and he has given the file to the present petitioner and he is filing the wakalatnama during the course of the day.
No, my lord. Today I can't file.
Okay,
because they will come and hand over me.
During the how many days? Want to?
At least, my lord, 7 days.
At least, okay, within during the course of this week, like yeah, during the course of this week, this the matter on 6th November. Next.
Item 15.
Now, आपको दरकार. आपको?
नहीं, ठीक है।
आपको भी दे दे. Next.
Item 15.
Lordship. Lordship, item 15, it's a matter, Lordship may remember, wherein the petitioner have challenged the invocation of bank guarantee of in favor of Kerala Electricity Board Limited.
खत्म ही नहीं matter टा.
Lordship, it has been amicably settled, but on the last occasion, Lordship had directed to file an affidavit. But Lordship, so the problem is, Lordship, during the pendency of the case, the MD of the company has been hospitalized, and for the same reason, the authority signature was not Lordship. As per the instruction, I have got one more week, maybe. Or Lordship may dispose of this matter with a action that has been matter.
On your submission, Lord Counsel, the petitioner submits that since the matter has been amicably settled, the grievance raised in the present petition doesn't survive anymore. Accordingly, dispose of any process. Next.
Item 16. Item 16.
Oh, nada. जो भी amicably settled लगा counsel name must be.
Thank you.
Yes.
Item number 16. The previous occasion, Lordship has directed to furnish the death certificate issued by the CDMO, concerned CDMO. I filed one application before the CDMO requesting to provide us with the death certificate, that is pending. I pray some other date.
What is the issue?
Issue is regarding to the non-disbursement of compensation to a COVID warrior.
Oh, COVID warrior.
सपरे
COVID warrior थे ना खाली
ग्राम पंचायत
स्वाधीनता संग्रामी बढ़िया
नहीं
आजकल से स्वाधीनता संग्रामी आसपास भी नथिबे से भत्ता पाउछन्ती कलेक्टर ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଲେଖି नउछन्ती भत्ता रेगुलर मासिक मास स्वाधीनता संग्रामी भत्ता मिले से स्वाधीनता संग्रामी केबे देखि नथि गोडी ठेंगाडे बाडीटे माडबी में खाइ नथि आ सेमान सब पाउछन्ती जाय कोविड वारियर भी हंती बोला आजकल बाहर
is that due to COVID?
COVID मरिबाटा अलगा
जिनिस
COVID वारियर
I I file a CDMO.
Okay. Petitioner 6 1 week time.
After
6,
vacation.
8 weeks time. List the matter on December 19. How?
He is to approach the district authority.
We have already approached. We have already filed one application.
And there is an online portal, CAPS portal, where they have to apply.
Okay, 7th November.
Much of that.
Item 17. 17 the order of district consumer forum. Sundargarh 1, that is under challenge on the ground that same is without jurisdiction.
Sundargarh district consumer forum order ki ethi can challenge karibe state consumer kono nahi ye desare.
That is without jurisdiction.
कौन है jurisdiction?
In because
without jurisdiction we have consumer forum state court file kariye.
That is there also, but in view of your lordship judgment and judgment of
judgment court nahi.
Your lordship one judgment your lordship pass that the consumer forums have no jurisdiction to entertain the billing dispute matter. Your Lordship, it's
अच्छा billing dispute এটা
but here is another issue that Honorable Supreme Court held that so far the assessment proceeding initiated under section 126 of the Act 2003, the consumer forums have no jurisdiction at all. Your Lordship,
obviously electricity act consumer forum কি
exactly, Lordship. The forum below are entertaining the matters.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ଅର୍ଡର ଟେ କରିବା ଦିଅ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଏମିତି କେସ୍ ଅଛି ସେଟା ସଲ୍ଭ ହେଇଗଲା
Page 30,
page
I have folded it. The paragraph
32
sixth paragraph, Your Lordship.
କୋଉଥିରେ
The
para 30 ର 6
paragraph 6
when the person defaults in making payment ସେଇଠି ତ
no, thereafter. Therefore, it is clear that after notice of provisional assessment to the person indulged in unauthorized use of
That's all.
electricity.
ଏତିକି ଆର ପାର୍ଟି ଶୁଣିଲେନି
Minutes.
ଆର ପାର୍ଟି କିଏ ଅଛି
The consumer, a fact that the person who filed this application of complaint petition before the consumer forum during pendency of that he died, and the improved order has been passed in favor of that dead person.
ତ ପାର୍ଟି ଆପଣ କାହାକୁ ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି
2 Milord, the son of the complainant.
ତ ଏକ ପାର୍ଟି ତାର ପୁଅକୁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନାନ୍ତୁ
Milord.
ତାର ଏକ ପାର୍ଟି ବନାନ୍ତୁ
Yes, he has I have made the son as a party.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ତାକୁ ନୋଟିସ ଟା ଯାଉ
Hey, notice.
issue notice to the opposite party number OP number
Two.
2 consumer forum party के लिए
Two.
president party बना
Yes.
OP number 2 by registered post list the matter on 7th November
Improved order be stayed. Annexure 9.
in the meantime there should be stay
Annexure 9 be stayed. I have filed miss this.
annexure 9 में कोई भी नहीं
Milord.
ଆପଣ improved order କୋଟା କଣ
Improved order annexure 9.
ଏ ଫାଲତୁ order ନୁହେଁ ଏଟା annexure 9 ରୁ stay ମାନେ କଣ
The improved order which has been passed.
Improved order dated so and so
Milord, I have
ଏଇଟା annexure 9 କୋଇ
Milord. 27/7/2023.
କୋଉଠି ବି annexure ଆଗ ଡେଟ୍ ଲେଖିବେ ସବୁ ଲେଖିବେ ତାପରେ ସ୍ଲାsh annexure ଏମିତି ଲେଖିବେ ଆଉ ଏଇ annexure NB annexure B annexure 2 ବି state ଏଟା କଣ
I have
this is
stayed,
not a
sir.
right order
Milord, in prayer I have stayed.
order in the meantime there should be stay of the judgment and order dated 27/7/2023 passed by the learned DC DRC Sundargarh 1 passed in CC number 57209 2019 plus annexure 19 कर दिया list है ना in this folder में पूरा detail अब annexure in state वाला होगा that is not a right order next
Item number 18.
18
Milord, in order dated
এটা কোন order what is this order what is the content
27/9/2022.
what is the content
Content, Milord, the direction was given to the director Panchayat Raj because actually the matter will be disposed of by the district Panchayat officer. But BDO forwarded my case to the DPO. DPO forwarded case by director. And while pending before the director, the lead petition was disposed of, directing the director Panchayat Raj to take a decision.
Okay.
And till then, he had not taken any decision. एक सेकंड रुहतु मु सेटा देछि मोर कोन देखुछन पहले लेट मी कंप्लीट
decision नहीं देख ले
सेटा जेइटा रे after filing of this content petition the director sent this letter to me
ହେଲା ହେଇଗଲା ନା decision नहीं गले ना
no director
petition
sent a
आगे
letter
करे
to
ना।
me that I have forwarded the case to the DPO. The order of why this letter and spirit of the order has not yet been complied.
ए representation dispatch में कहते ये तो कुछ कर और कौन এটা কোন লাগিছি এটা
जुगाड़ साहब एतिक हले my problem will be solved since the
हां लेखिले तो without expression of any opinion এটা কোন representation
रिप्रेजेंटेशन
representation तो
यार ब्रेड बटर से बर्तन पड़ी जी डीपीओ को पाखरे एवं डायरेक्टर कंप्लाई करना थी डायरेक्टर कहिसंती यू कंप्लाई द ऑर्डर देखुना एई तो मते आसी चिठी
के डिसाइड के करिवो आता डीपी को पठे देला कोन करिवो
ठीक है
फिर रंग कोडेला
हां ना से पटेले since that
now therefore keeping in view the provisions made under rule 125 of OGP rules 2014 district panchayat officer is hereby directed to take necessary steps as per the provisions of rules in order to comply the order of the honorable.
order ଆପଣ DPO କୁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଁ ଯୋଉ OP4 ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ନ ଥିଲା
ରେଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ଏଠି କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ କାହାକୁ ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି?
କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ବା ମୁଁ ଏଟା ଜାଣିଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ପରେ କେସ୍ ବେଳେ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କଲି କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ପରେ ଏଇ ଚିଠିଟା ଆସିଛି
କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କ
ଫାଇଲ
DPO
କରି 26/6 ଏଇ ଚିଠି ଆସିଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା 11/7
ନାଇଁ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ତ ଆପଣ DPO କୁ କରିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ?
DPO କୁ କରିନି ମୁଁ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ କାଇଁ କରିନି ମୋର ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଥିଲା
Okay,
ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ
start. Considering the order dated 11/7/2023 passed by the director.
Panchayat Raj. Panchayat Raj.
Letter to the district panchayat officer for taking necessary step as per the provision of the rules in order to comply the order of this court. Order dated so and so. Order dated 27/9/2022 of this court.
in WPC number
In the WPC number
24144 of 22
24144 of 2022.
Order dated 11/7/2023 passed by the Director of Panchayat Department, sending the matter to the district panchayat officer for taking necessary steps as per the provision.
Shall be complied with within a month, 1 month from today. Dealing which the district panchayat officer shall be present before the court secretary display.
by the DPO director
DPO करिवा था
obliged
next आपण DPO को से कपड़ा से जाई से DPO पर
ଆପଣ ବି ଗୋଟେ ଚିଠି କରିଦେବେ
Item 19.
आपण डायरेक्ट सीधा DPO को जाई देखा करिवे आ ई पछरे डायरेक्टर फटे गला next
19 below some defects have been pointed out by the SR. That 2 days time may be allowed that I will remove the defect by Monday.
6 days time to cure the defects as pointed out by this.
By Monday I will remove it and also call it on Tuesday or Wednesday.
1 week time is granted. Place the matter on 18. Number लग गई
Lost you वाला
छुट्टी पर लग गया था
नहीं ये next week रात move by Tuesday I will remove it. So trial court रो certificate copy टा को
17 next
Item 20. Actually, item 20, the my lord directed to file requisites. Unfortunately, I've already in the meantime already filed requisites.
Proof. कहते अपन को दे
20 the MSc
Oh, sorry.
Insurance manager कौन कथा को
My lord, the substitution petition and the documents were sent for verification, my lord. I will file the substitution petition by Monday, my lord.
Okay, land cards for the petitioner. 6 to 1 week time to file the substitution petition accordingly. This is the matter on 17.
Oh, bless. 16, my lord.
16, okay.
21.
21.
21, your lordship directed to file the consolidated writ, my lord. I'll file it today, my lord.
You file it?
I'm filing it today in the register.
Well, land consideration.
Copy.
File a consolidated.
Copy,
petition.
ma'am.
Give a copy. And also serve the copy to the opposite party. This is the matter. So, 31st.
Interim order.
Interim order is that. Next.
22.
22.
Sir, actually, direction is the Sarpanch go last time the government said that the Sarpanch will be released the salary. For that reason, my lord have directed to issue notice to the Sarpanch.
Sarpanch come.
No, sir. File ta tige late record.
Oh, Lord Council, the petitioner has filed the requisite. But the service has not been completed. What is the matter on?
Sir, Sarpanch, sir, the boni actually collector.
Second,
Sir?
2nd November.
Sir, tiki October, sir.
October आपको time is. Next.
Item 23.
23.
My lord permitted to withdraw.
Withdraw.
Yes, my lord.
Permitted to withdraw. What is your name? What is your name?
Nisamuni Mukhi.
Huh?
Nisamuni Mukhi.
Mukhi. So, why do you want to withdraw it? Will you ask your senior why you are withdrawing it?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know. There must be the college client gava more bina permission more law jagiri withdraw katechi law against case kari wale kam kari jabo. Will you not know what is the reason for withdrawal? Withdrawal कौन ପାଇଁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଜାଣିବେ ନି? Next time withdrawal କରିବେ कौन ପାଇଁ withdrawal କରିବେ ଜାଣିକି ଆସିବେ ହେଲା? ହଁ. What is Nisamuni Mukhi on behalf of Siddharth Mishra?
Siddharth Mishra.
Seeks to withdraw the petition unconditionally. Accordingly, withdrawal is granted. Okay. Next.
Item 24.
24.
24, 25.
Complies. Yes. Order is complied. The contempt draft. The order passed by this court on next. 20 contempt 24 next 26
Item 26.
CRLMP would go to
May I please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I filed an IA for modification.
What is the IA? My
Lords, it was earlier listed on 18 July, but due to
what is the modification?
Lords, to the extent that SP Berhampur to take over the investigation because there are allegations against the IIC that we are pressing.
So why Berhampur SP will take over the investigation? He will
Lords,
assign
because
somebody.
IIC himself has not arranged himself and has accused, though allegations in the actual complaint written.
What is the order wrong? What is wrong in the order?
Lords, inadvertently the order has been told to register the FIR, Lords. Whereas our prayer
So
is
register the FIR inadvertently.
it was already registered, Lords. If your Lordship sees the prayer in the if your Lords, I may be
order तो ଆପଣ ତ ଷ୍ଟେସନ ବି ଭୁଲ ପାର୍ଟି କରିବେ ତାର
नहीं पुलिस स्टेशन भूल तो पीछे नहीं
ग्राम गंजाम केस
हाँ आ गया मोर तो
दिस इज मैटर रिलेटिंग टू छत्रपुर आईआईसी ग्राम गंजाम पढ़ी
छत्रपुर is
No,
Ganjam is different.
can be sent to SP Ganjam on point of jurisdiction of the following action. So SP Ganjam will your lordship may directly SP Ganjam to take follow up action in so far this CRL concerned. ତାଙ୍କର point of jurisdiction ଟା ହେଉଛି ଥାନା ଏଟା ଭୁଲରେ ସେମାନେ ଏଠି ନେଇ ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଉ ଥାନାଟାକୁ ମେନସନ କଲେ ସେ ଥାନାଟା ନୁହଁ ତା ଅଣ୍ଡର ଏଟା ଆସୁନି
No, Milords, the FIR was initially had been registered under Gram Ganjam
भाई
case.
कोटा correction करबी कोंदू
Milords, your Lordship.
What do you want me to correct?
Milords may only reflect that the SP to take over the investigation and array the IIC as an accused because we claim that IIC was involved in that offense, Milords, and he himself has not arrested as accused because registration was done by the IIC himself, Milords. That is my only humble submission, Milords.
I see I mean, he is the accused and he's also.
That is the only point we are.
What he has done?
He has abated. There was a suicide. There was a matrimonial dispute between the families.
ऐसा ही कौन काम है
Milords may see the actual written complaint टा देखंतु page 14 Milords actual written complaint टा देखंतु जोटा लेखिके देइछंती informant सेटा टिके Milords देखिबे.
What do you want me to write this लेखिके दियो
Milords आइए रे मु लेखि देइछि
नहीं एबे मते एबे कागज रे हाथ रे लेखि देम
Milords
इबे ते स्वीकृत थे 6 मास पर आइबे कोन मोर मन भी नथिबो से केस
Milords, if your lordship sees
I don't remember all these things.
Milords, I bow down, Milords. Milords, जदि page 3 of the IA देखिए मु सेठी para 5 रे लेखिछि what is my in short what is I require in this modification. This IA 154 of 2023 page
petitioner 6 modification a slight modification in the order passed by this court on so that code that thila na
Milords
that code thila 6-3.
my lord, 6/3/2023.
2023 to the extent that OP number 2 SP Barampur to take over the charge of Saintia Lakshmi to assign the charge to a proper officer since the inspector in charge is added as an accused.
Is not arrested. We say that he should be arrested as an accused. We say that he should be.
Should be रे हबनी काम जदि ता against କିଛି proof ଅଛି कोन you should be
my lords, ଆମେ written complaint ଦେଇଛୁ, ସେ ନିଜେ ହିଁ ନିଜ written complaint ରେ ସେ ନିଜେ ହିଁ registration କରିଛନ୍ତି, ତ ସିଏ ତାଙ୍କୁ ନିଜକୁ accused କଲେ ନାହିଁ, ତ we were remediless at that point of time.
The modify the ordination so to the extent that the SP Barampur to take over the to assign the investigation to a proper officer other than the inspector in charge OP number 3. Hello?
My lords.
As he is also
allegations are labeled against him.
As allegations are also leveled against him by the petitioner. For the interest of justice, let some other officer investigate the matter. Other officer other than OP number 3 shall investigate the matter. Also, all other parts of the order remains unanswered.
I'm grateful, my lords.
Next.
Item 27.
27.
Made the notes. The FIR is under section 302, they do it 120B of IPC. The facts of the case is, my lord, 3 persons on the day of Holi went out of the hotel premises.
This is item number 27.
My lord.
27. Sangeeta Das.
Sangeeta Das. The students. The defect was not there.
Defect
I will remove it.
4 8 4 petitioner cure the defect. अब defect cure कर दे तो कल लगा दो कल सुबह हाँ कल लगा
ଏବେ କହିଦେବେ ସାର୍ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ପଠେଇବେ
ଏବେ ଏବେ ଏଠି କଣ ଏଠି ଦେବେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଆଉ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି କରିବେ ନା ଏଠି ଥୋଡି ହେବ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ହେବ ନା
my friend will submit it before the registry.
The petitioner to is like that. The petitioner is granted liberty to cure the defect during the course of the day. List the matter tomorrow. Hala, call it laga. Next.
Item 28.
28.
May I please also, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Amit Prasad was seeking an adjournment, my lord.
Why? किस खुशी में?
His legs in another court, he instructed me to
You argue the matter.
give me time to
You argue the matter.
prepare this, my lord. Good time.
2 PM को. Defect कौन? 4A. 4A. Cure the defect. Land counsel the petitioner to cure the defects within a week. List the matter on 16th. Next.
Item 29.
Miller, on behalf of BB Barrick, kindly taken out next week.
29.
Miller.
Wala?
On behalf of BB Barrick, kindly taken out next week.
Okay, next week. Bharat तरह क्या होगा? Okay, next. 13 नहीं 12 दे 13 दबा नहीं कुछ 13 concentrate दे ना. Next.
Item 30.
30.
Millard, defect 5D Millard. Perhaps Millard, it is service of copy to the Advocate General Office Millard. I have solved.
You have solved.
Copy.
You got the copy. What is the case?
Millard, it's a criminal division conviction, my lord, under section 92 of the Factories Act, my lord, sentenced to undergo 6 months simple imprisonment and a fine of rupees 50,000, my lord. My lord, case is like that, my lord, the petitioners, my lord, they have faced trial with an allegation, my lord, in the factory while one
What is the
labor,
Factory Act 92?
that is a punishment, my lord. I'm reading
What is the 92 point?
92, my lord, general penalty for offences.
What is the offense?
My lord, save as is otherwise expressly provided in this act and subject to the provisions of the section 93. If in or in respect of any factory there is any contravention of any of the provisions of this act, or of any rules made thereunder, or any order in writing given thereunder, the occupier and manager of the factory shall is be guilty of an offence and punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 2 years or with fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees or both.
ये कौन कला ये?
से ये माने किसी करना गोटे लेबर टे आज्ञा से फैक्ट्री मेसिनरी सफा कला बेलको तार इंडेक्स फिंगर टा क्रॉस हो गला.
This is the owner.
One is the owner and the other is the factory manager, my lord.
So you have been convicted.
My lord, the present petitioner is convicted, my lord.
Okay, issue notice.
My lord, admit habo se bail ta आज्ञा अच्छी.
Admit. Opposite party?
My lord,
1 and 2.
my lord, IA number. No separate notice through registered post.
Open number 1, 2. Open number 1, 2. Open number 1, learn with the state waves of notice on the state. And 2 through registered post?
Through registered post.
Our IA कर दे. Stay of the relation of the fine. ଆପଣ 50,000 ଦେଇପାରିବେନି ରିଲେସନ ଷ୍ଟେ କରି
ସେଟା ଅବେ ନାହିଁ ତ ଏଟା ଫାଇନାଲ ହିୟରିଂ ହେଲା ବେଳେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟାକୁ ଏମିତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯଦି କୁହନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇକି ଏଟାକୁ ଇଏ କରିଦେଲେ ହୁଅନ୍ତା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏସବୁ ଇଏରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯୋଉ 6
ଦେଖିବା ଦେଖିବା ସେ ଆସୁ
ହଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟାକୁ ଏଟା ଫାଇନ ଟାକୁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ବଢେଇ ଦେଇକି
କ୍ରିମିନାଲ
ହଁ
50,000 ଷ୍ଟେ ରିଲେସନ ଫାଇନ ଆଉ କଣ ଅଛି
ସସ୍ପେନ୍ସନ ଅଫ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ
ସସ୍ପେନ୍ସନ ଅଫ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆଇରେ the meantime the petition to be religion bill. Next.
Item 31. May I please?
31.
In the 120 proceeding, my lord, order was passed to grant 5,712 my wife, my lord.
You are for the husband.
Husband, ma.
Only
The labor in Dulunga mines, my lord. Only my expiry order, my lord. I only pray, my lord, demanded the matter. I will participate and conclude the within a stipulated period as a lordship. In the page 11.
Delay कितने अच्छे?
Delay, my lord, 5 months.
5 months. Under which act? এটা হচ্ছে co-actors. 125. The petition filed the present petition challenging the order dated 31st January 2023 passed by the learner STGM Rairanpur and CMC number 20 of 2022. Our Jibeli court can
Because I'm issued to my home, my lord. After in the execution case, when NBW issued, the petition came to know. I am not. No, I am ready and participating.
I bet the ready NBW issue ready. Now, what have you? The petition has filed the present petition challenging the order dated 31st January 2023 passed by the STGM Rairanpur and CMC number 21 of 2023 petition filed under section 125 of CRPC by the against the petitioner. The said court, the learned court below allowed the same with the direction to the petitioner to pay rupees 5,712 per month to the present petitioner. The grievance of the petitioner is that since the matter was not not hard.
Yes, well, that is in the rejection order also mentioned. Page 11.
Page
After
11.
application filed, someone was issued to appear before the court and to file so good.
Petitioner is
Not expired by order dated 24/8/2022. Page 11 last.
After application, someone was issued to OP number 1 to appear to the court. The file is super. When the application was filed, someone was issued to the opposite party and the present petitioner, opposite party / the present petitioner, to appear before in this court, appear in that court and file the so-called. However, the petitioner did not appear and the order was passed ex parte. Since the petitioner is a laborer, laborer
in Dulunga coal mines.
Dulunga coal mines, and his financial qualification is mechanical engineering करके laborer
से कोचिंग मैकेनिकल से कोचिंग मैकेनिकल
ଆପଣ କଣ qualification?
I am a worker man work is a laborer man, but they stated and that effect my lord she also but he is not adducing any evidence man.
What is laborer? And is financially not very sound to pay such amount, and since the matter has been passed ex parte, let the matter be remitted back to the SDGM Rairangpur. Rairangpur to hear to give an opportunity to hear the matter afresh and consider the present petition's grievance. Afresh and give opportunity of hearing to the present petition. By giving opportunity to the let it be disposed of within a period of 3 months from.
But till then, my lord, execution case may be that is CMC number 62 of 2023.
Till then, the execution case
number CMC number 62 of 2023.
CMC number
62 of 2023.
62 of 2020.
23. Pending in the same court, my lord.
Pending the same court, be state. This is the matter. I will have a
disposal within 3 months.
Okay. Next.
32.
May I please join?
Date.
Okay. 5 minutes. After that.
Date of order 2525 instead of 26/900.
You are right.
Date of order 25 26/9
I
think the figure is
okay. The passed on 2/5/2023 by this court be modified as
26 September.
26 September 2023 since typographical error and
Well, a notice to be issued, for which I filed the requisite already in time.
The notice is filed. The display will see
Amendment of this. Notice.
Okay, notice issue. So we file the requisite?
Yes, sir. Requisite has already been filed.
Let's the matter on 9th.
Yes.
9th.
And paying for continuance of interim order, but not to disperse the amount.
The next.
August. Item 33.
33.
I hear my lord, a person is an Anganwadi worker was removed from service on 10/11/10/10, and my lords directed on 1/5/2015 that he should be reinstated with consequential benefits.
With the order.
By order, my lord, order 1/5/15, that is the writ number 6633/2013, that were disposed of by my lords, directing that she should be reinstated with consequential benefits. My lord, so far as
This
the
is contempt, no?
content, my lord, content is they have reinstated me on 10/12/10 to 18, but so far as the benefits they have not paid. For that I have filed this miscase, that is 48, my lord. Benefits they have not paid. They have reinstated me in up to 2 years. By 3 years, my lord.
I have filed this case for, I need for modification of that order, my. The order dated 1/5/2015.
Which part?
I have filed the IA number 48/2018, my.
Which part of the order you want to get
The
modified?
reinstated part, my lord. Sorry, the consequential benefit part, my lord. That in fact, my leading argument is, my lord, he has not performed a duty for 3 years. But the honorable court directed to reinstate and give the consequential benefit. I have.
Wait that order. I have passed the order.
No,
Okay. Not, yeah, I mean, it is only contempt is before me. Consequential benefit किन दिए बस? इधर कौन बावड़ा सरकारी चाकरी regularize job जैसे दिया?
Consequential because
the schematic post है इधर consequential कौन होगा?
consequential
अपन
benefit
चाकरी
for the days I have discharged my duties, they have not paid.
You have not discharged your duty.
My lord, from May 2007, they have stopped my salary. They have terminated my service in 11/10/2010, my lord. Remove me from 2010.
काम करते हैं.
My lord, they have made the allegation. Yes, my lord.
From 2007 to 2010,
From May to
we are just doing service without anything, without any remuneration from the government.
But they have made a false allegation, my lord. That
I am asking you, sir.
Yes, my lord.
Your client was working for the 3 years without anything.
Yes, my lord. From
Why?
May
What is the fun?
2007,
What is the fun in working for 3 years without anything?
I have not voluntarily remained absent, my lord. I have not remained voluntarily absent. They forcibly keep me out from discharging.
No. I am asking, you are not answering my question. My question is, 3 years you are saying that they have not paid you anything.
Yes, my lord.
But for 3 years, how did you work without pay? Are you so, I mean, you are patriotic.
My lord.
You are so patriotic.
My lord, they have filed the IA. I have received that copy on 25th, my lord.
Sir, we are avoiding my question.
Yes,
my question is, you worked for 3 years without pay.
Yes, my lord.
Did you raise complaint against the authority anywhere?
Yes,
that
my
you
lord,
show
I
me.
raised the complaint, my lord.
Okay,
because-
where is that complaint?
Because they didn't have they conducted, they have not.
No,
conducted
sir,
any
there is
inquiry,
something
my lord.
fishy.
They have
No,
not
that's not
conducted
so easy as you are saying. A person who is aggrieved by a non-payment of the salary for 3 years, how could he continue in work? You must have approached somebody that, sir, I am not getting
I have the
salary.
content, my lord.
Otherwise,
My lord,
दूसरा रास्ता सामान बेचो पैसा मिले खाओ
my submission is there.
दरकार नहीं ସେଥିରେ ଆଉ salary ନହେଲେ ବି
My
ଚଳିବ
respect to submission is there.
अभी
That made the allegation that you have remained absent from 1/11/2007. On that allegation, they removed my service. Remove my
sir, you are
service
not
from
telling me,
11/10.
you are not answering my question.
Yes,
The
my lord.
basic question is, have you approached any authority stating that you are not getting salary at all? Have you approached? Where is the document?
I approached my lords by filing the
ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
content,
ମତେ
my lord.
ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
I filed the content, my lord. That is-
contempt ଆପଣ କୁଆଡେ କୁଆଡେ ପଳଉଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ।
ପଚାରୁଛି କୋଉ ଅଥରିଟି କୁ ଆପଣ ଚିଠି ଦେଇଥିଲେ
My lords directed.
କୋଉ
My lords directed.
ନା ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ କୁ ଛାଡିକିରି ବାକି ସବୁ କରନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ ଲୋକାଲ ଲର୍ଡ ରେ କୋଉ ଲର୍ଡ ପାଖକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Local law court.
ଲୋକାଲ କୋଉ ଅଫିସର ତ ଭେଟିଥିବେ ନା
He should be reinstated. On that basis, I
ଆଜ୍ଞା
filed
ସେ
the
3
contempt
ବର୍ଷ
because
କଥା
I am
କହୁଛି
intending to discharge my duty. But
ଆଜ୍ଞା
they
ଆପଣ
have-
ଇଣ୍ଟେନସନ
they
ଘରେ
are not
ରଖିଥାନ୍ତୁ
allowing me.
ଆପଣ ଇଣ୍ଟେନସନ ଥାଉ ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆପଣ ଆନ୍ସର ସେଟା ଦେଇନା ସବୁ ବୁଲୁଛନ୍ତି ଖେଳରେ ଏଇ 7 ରୁ 3 ଭିତରେ 7 ରୁ 3 2007 ରୁ 2010
ଭିତରେ
10 ଭିତରେ 3 ବର୍ଷ ଭିତରେ
3 ବର୍ଷ
ଆପଣ
ମୋର
ମୋର ଆନ୍ସର ମୋର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ସରିନି ଆପଣ ଆନ୍ସର କାଇଁ ଆଗରୁ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି I have not finished my question. So within that period, did you approach the CDPO or collector or any concerned authority about your non-payment of salary. I want that document. Show me that.
That I have mentioned in my read.
Mention re habani. Mate document dekhe. Proper document dekhe. And mention re.
Then my lord, I will dead chat. I will prepare.
Dead chat re habani.
Next
Document dekhe. Dead chat re habani.
Dead chat na say.
Dead chat mo darkar nahi. Dead chat. More dead chat darkar nahi. Aur document darkar. Document dekhan. Ko authority ko apne jaithile kon document dekhe. Mate kon.
My read was spent.
ଆପଣ read ଥାଉ ନା ଯୋଉଠି ଥାଉ ମୁଁ read ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଉଟା ପଚାରିଲି ସେଟା ଆନ୍ସର ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନା ସବୁ କଥା କଥା read ରେ ଫାଇଲ କରି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଲୋକାଲ ଆଗ ରିମେଡି ନ କରିକି read ସିଧା ପଳେଇ ଆସିବେ ଆପଣ ଲୋକାଲ କାହାକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ସାଲାରୀ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି କୋଉଠିକି ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣ
without inquiry they terminated.
again inquiry କରିବେ ସେମାନେ ଯଦି ଆପଣ କାମ କଲେ ଟର୍ମିନେଟ୍ କରିପାରିବେ they can do that. It is not a regular post. It is schematic post. If a person is not performing well, they can always terminate. You can't stop them.
The forcibly they.
Yes, they forcibly they can. They have the power.
They forcibly made the.
Yes.
Stop me from discharge my duty.
Yes, they can do that. They have the power.
My lord directed in 2015.
Maybe.
That is, he should be
Maybe.
respected. Till then they didn't allow.
You are not answering my question. You are going here and there. Okay, list the matter on 17th. 17th ras. Upon file document another. Next.
Item 34.
My lord, last occasion on 25th 9, Lordship directed to State Council to obtain.
What is the case about?
My lord, the certificate, my lord, residential certificate belatedly submitted.
Belatedly, kete belatedly?
As after selection process is over, my lord.
You are allowed within how many days you should submit?
I am opposite party number 6. I am getting.
You sit down. You sit down. Both of you sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. Don't stand like this. I feel disturbed. Please sit down. Chair nahi. No chair down. Jar argument se chidaibe. Ye culture band karo. So eka se tin jan chidaibe pura lamba lamba chidaibe kon. You don't do this. Yes.
My lord, the present petitioner is selected as a GRS, my lord.
GRS.
My lord. On work till 12/12/2017 to 20th January 2018. 2017 to 20th January 2018. Thereafter, my lord.
So about 1 year.
No, my lord. No, 1 month. 1 month. 1 month. Below 1 month.
1 month, sir.
Thereafter, my lord, the selection committee again, my lord. After my lord, the opposite party 6 selected on the and modified.
Sorry.
Modified the selection list after my lord. Thereafter, the petitioner has been removed.
Modified why?
Modified by the my lord. The DRDA selection committee, annexure 5, my lord, at page 21. 21, my lord. Provisionally selected list of GRS contains some errors in which the name of some eligible candidates has been left out. The selection list has been slightly modified, and if any engagement on the basis of earlier list shall not be allowed to continue.
What is the curative measure, sir? As a curative measure, what is the curative measure? You are for the DRDA. My lord. In annex. What is the curative measure you have taken? In the letter you have written one word curative measure. As a curative measure, you have reconstituted the selection committee, which went through application. So what curative measure?
And actually, the opposite party number 3, who is being selected, they had to submit the residence certificate. My lord, may recall similar case was before my lord.
Similar case. I don't remember.
The residents, those are the residents of that GP. They will be given preference. The last date of submitting the document was 20th, my lord.
20th, and he submitted on?
No, my lord. It was a 25 2017. 25 2017 was the last date of submission of all the documents.
And he submitted?
No, my lord. He had previously submitted an residence certificate, which was not correct.
Not correct in what?
Say year on 18th, he had submitted an undertaking that he will submit the residence certificate. He needs some time. And the last date for objection was 12/9/2017. Before that, he had submitted his residence certificate.
Before the objection date.
My lord, 18/8/2017, the resident certificate is
So
obtained.
before the objection date, he submitted that.
My lord, he submitted the
And you accepted.
and we accepted.
Okay. Then what is the problem?
On that basis, the mark, he was, his mark was. Basing on that, my lord, he was selected. He was the present who has been opposite party 6 who has been he secured 46.5%, and the petitioner he secured 35% of mark. On that basis, we have selected the.
So that's why you change that.
My lord, my lord.
What is wrong in that, sir?
My lord, in
You
the
have secured less
yes,
mark
ma'am.
than this person.
I am apprised, my lord. Incomplete application are liable for rejection summarily.
Just a minute.
And
Hold on. Answer my question. He was allowed that
my lord.
to submit later.
No, my lord. The opposite party number
Opposite party,
6,
okay.
who is now been selected.
Opposite party number 6 was allowed to submit later. That is after, I mean, before the objection period was over. So they allowed it, and they allowed to many also. So, and now everybody is at par, except the mark, percentage of mark, right? Or local area preference, whatever.
Yes,
So
he
both
is
are from
also.
the same GP.
Yes, my lord.
Both are from the same GP, no dispute. So marks, he has secured more marks than
Yes.
you, and he should get.
My, your lordship,
And what else?
after
Nothing
my
else.
lord, your lordship counter A by 3.
They counterpart
A by 3, your lordship have a
Nothing-
glance. Residential
nothing to do.
certificate.
Higher marks should get.
No, a residential certificate.
Sir, higher marks should get it. That's all.
No, higher mark.
No other thing.
After selection process,
After
my lord.
selection process, they have given undertaking before the objection.
No, my lord. That has not been the objection period. Your lordship has the after objection period. Your lordship has a glance.
Come to the
Annexure A by 3. Annexure A by 3. Your lordship has a glance.
Come to the advertisement.
Counter, my lord. Residential certificate not submitted in time. Your lordship on 11/9/2017, my lord. Objects A by 3 counter.
Advertisement ka asu na.
Tanko counter.
Advertisement ka asu. Advertisement kode.
Advertisement page 8, my lord. In writ application. Annexure 1. Incomplete.
Koga
At a turn. Second serial number 2, my lord.
2.
Mine. Banspal, name of the block.
Block was a Banspal and the turn. Okay.
Turn. Mine incomplete application are liable for rejection summarily. Mine thereafter objection period is over. My lord, the final provisional selection list given, my lord, at page 11. And thereafter, my lord, final.
Sir, in your guideline, is there any provision for giving extra time to somebody?
No, actually, he had submitted a undertaking that he will, the opposite one.
Generally.
We allowed that. He had
undertaking the prior.
Undertaking your lordship, they have given, my lord. In annexure A by 3, my lord.
No, my lord.
That is not in this case.
That undertaking not
he had
given.
given on 18/5 to allow him some time to produce the residence certificate.
20th, my lord.
20th is the last date.
Last date was
25. 2017. He had submitted the undertaking on 18/5. Before that, my lord.
On 13, my lord.
That undertaking allow kale na committee before objection date se kala.
करना my lord on
आपण objection करथिले
11/9/17 रे आज्ञा देइछन देखन तांको काउंटर रे आज्ञा को देइछन केतबळ पर्यंत भी रेसिडेंटल सर्टिफिकेट नथला देखन सी लिखिछन
objection date पूर्वरु देइछन ना नहीं
आज्ञा
कोड दे
objection date was objection date was 12/9/2017.
इसे दिले 9
आज्ञा
9/9
11/9
11/9 तो 12 पूर्व
देई ना रेसिडेंटल सर्टिफिकेट
हमको एते आ प्रोबिंग इंक्वायरी करि परिबेनी अधिक मार्क्स से पाइबो गला खत्म
my lord your lordship of a class में selection process over my lord your lordship I have also cited a
judgment देखा तुम
your lordship
move facts and circumstances
ना fact and circumstances ସେମାନେ counter रे देइछन आज्ञा देई नांती देखन they have submitted the counter my lord
किए देइ नांती
ये माने PDTRDA
से गुड बेल
से counter देइछन बा
Your lordship have a
Counter कौन लिखी अलग
counter election resident certificate not submitted in time.
अरे सर सेटा सेते बड़े जेते बड़े आपनकर से ऑब्जेक्शन पूर्वरु से देला ना
11 your
पूर्वरु
lordship
देई छी
thereafter my lord on my lord
अननेसेसरी आर्ग्यू करन टाइम वेस्ट
my lord
किछि नहीं
on 12
अधिक
12
मार्क वाला पाइबो छण
on 12 my
पर्सन
lord
वे सिक्योर्ड हायर मार्क
your lordship have a glance
these are all
after selection
critical
process is
किछि
over your lordship
not over it was not over it was within time
within time
Not over,
English
not
they have not
okay
filed counter
order reserve next order next question next start order reserve next
Item 35.
35 yes you don't have to file Monday sir Monday
will get the
Monday Tuesday Wednesday any day Wednesday Wednesday next
36.
36 will share Sam 37
37.
36 Sonalata Ponda
এটা একটা সঙ্গে আছে টাইম ইস্যু না 37
Lordship, I am for the pilgrim laws.
Passing of that entry order, how the contender has allowed the opposite party to perform a duty manner. I have got the discussion on 15/7/2019. The order was passed by this Hon'Ble Court. 15/7/2019.
जस्ट खुल गया मैं हार्ड कॉपी दे नहीं खोलूं हार्ड कॉपी कौन है
Property part number 2 has not made any incorrect amendments in the show cause at para 6 as arrest. As submitted in para 5 of the show cause prior to submission of affidavit by the petitioner on 15/7/2019 at about 3:20 p.m. The selection proceeding for the post of Anganwadi helper at K Kakarada 2 Anganwadi helper has already been completed by 11 AM. Very sadly. एकांत वाले सॉरी करो ये तीनटा पढ़िए ना ऑर्डर का रिसीव करे. It is humbly submitted that prior to communication of the interim order passed by this Hon'Ble Court, granting stay of notification dated 6/7/2019 to this office, final result of selection process has already been completed. However, after submission of the certified copy of the order of this Hon'Ble Court in IA number 9565/19 by the petitioner before this office, in obedience to such order passed by this court, passed by this Hon'Ble Court, this office had ordered to get
so there is a time lag there is a time lag
Captain Avance for okay तापर उसे आउट से हम अपन डेट कंटिन्यूस मु काउंटर टा पर मके सॉर्टेड करू मु काउंटर दे दूं तापर एटा सॉरी नेक्स्ट वीक का
okay file a counter I got this state to file the counter list the matter second November let them file a counter we'll see 2nd November second this is what he is orally saying let them file a counter that's it next
so post of file bदले
you along with that you can also get ठीक okay next
38.
38, and for the opposite party 3 and 4, your lordship had directed me to file 2 letters. Filing that. I have served copy on the.
What is the letter?
That approval as of the government and
government.
Has taken or not? That my lord have asked.
So they have taken it.
My lord. No, that was initial. Subsequently, we have forwarded to government. Government has later rejected the proposal. That is under challenge.
University regularization कर दला था
without prior approval
of the government. So the annexure 8 which was passed by the secretary matter They have, sorry. annexed
Sir,
to-
university, how can university without taking prior
no,
prior approval?
No, that was lordship, that
That is
was
the question here.
that we have specifically stated
No, what
that this is
specific
without.
that I am least bothered.
No, this is subject
Answer
to
my- No, answer my question.
lordship.
How could the university regularize them without taking prior?
No, we
approval
have
of the
not
government?
regularized. We only issued the order. This is subject to
Why
approval
subject
by
to
government.
Subject to mane?
No, government approval.
I'll be doing something subject to legally chhad debi.
No.
Government has rejected. I'm rejecting it. Government has, you take
No,
prior approval.
ame regularize kornu. Mane we cannot regularize also. We
I'm
have
not saying that. You
lordship.
should have taken prior approval before you regularize them.
We have not regularized. That is my submission.
Subject to kahin kale?
No, ame lekhilu ki regular ye tha subject, regular ye tha regular payment and regular pay and everything. That will be can be given only after the approval.
Chhad de.
Sir,
University आपने vice chancellor जानी थी?
3-3-11 पढ़ना
हाँ।
है।
हाँ, तो vice
3-3-11
chancellor
letter टा भी से कोई
minimum होती नहीं। या आपने approval आगरू नहीं आ जाए पर subject to
No,
chhad de.
lordship, that is
That is wrong. Temporary status की देगी। आपने क्या आमने कितनी कहते बिना government permission है? You are under the government.
lordship.
Then
3-3-11 letter का कोई चीज है।
Temporarily upon that
temporary can देबे आपण जहाँ कले भी government permission.
okay.
Even High Court cannot do that unless the government gives the permission. Forget about university. University समझने से होता. They are
lordship.
prior approval. Maybe autonomy. You may have the autonomy, but you don't have the autonomy with respect to recruiting the employees.
Lordship.
You
That
have
I,
to always take the permission of the government.
lordship. That
Interesting thing, my lord. The university mentioned in a letter that such numbers of vacant posts are there in the university.
It is co-university,
Where
right?
you got it?
Co-university.
Berhampur University.
Government BC को sorry BC नहीं sorry register करो.
Again, it is
Let him come through virtual board.
lordship.
17.
That time the VC may have been different.
The BC कथा कौन है register कथा कौन?
I'm sorry. The rest. See,
Register may be different.
lordship.
Post कौन different?
No, see. Ame regularize
may
the
go to
format.
come, but the post remains there.
Lordship may see that only that page 19.
Nothing
That is
there.
the order.
I want to get clarification for your secretary.
That is a letter issued by us.
Nothing doing.
That
The register to come and explain.
lordship may just
Nothing.
grant me just one.
No, nothing.
We have
Register to be present personally.
3-3-11
I
है।
am saying the register to come personally.
Sir, say
Let him explain.
sir
The
टिक्के
sector see how key restriction.
The register, अरे
Again.
ये लग रहा है register आखिर तार position कैसे पूछे बनी?
Again.
लोग तो कहते हैं राय से सर कहते रिटायर को
आगे मुखली गोटे इंसो
पोस्ट जेनरल से आंसर तो बनी
गोटे इंसो मुखली देखि रोची then if your lordship then that is a lordship discussion.
देखिए तो मैं ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे देखी सकती
आगे
अब देखा नहीं
खाली से गोटे ऑर्डर खाली आमे जो लेटर टा इशू करथिलु
तम लेटर टा सब्जेक्ट टू लिखा है जिसे सब्जेक्ट टू काहे लिखा है दैट इज माय
ना
क्वेश्चन
ना सब्जेक्ट टू माने आमे रेगुलराइज करनु सब्जेक्ट टू अप्रूवल आमे लिखिचु regular pay scale that will be released subsequently only if the government approves. That is what we have mentioned. We have specifically stated that this is only a temporary appointment, contractual appointment.
सर टिक्के
We have not
3-3-11
regularized.
letter टा
We
सर
have not
देखो।
regularized.
from the letter
That is a lordship may see page 19. Page 19. Page 19. Only that your lordship may see or page 19 your lordship may see.
रोहन मैं पढ़ी दूँ जी
I'm sorry.
you hear what I am reading.
Oh, sure.
Pursuant to the syndicate resolution number so and so, dated so and so, provisions contained in the Odisha University's recruitment and promotion of non-teaching employees, rules 1992, letter so and so, and in compliance with the order of the Honorable High Court of Orissa, as mentioned against the name, the following person who have applied in response to the office notification so and so are hereby temporarily appointed. Even for temporary appointment, will you not take permission from the government?
As
For temporary appointment also you have to take permission from the government.
Contractual
Because
appointments.
because the temporary appointee again they will come and they will say regularize us. They will say. If you don't take the permission, then how do you regularize them?
No, so far as per my instruction that it was only a contractual appointment.
Then nothing will
And
happen,
that
sir.
regularized we have not regularized because that
टिक्के 3-3-11 letter टा जोटा आज प्रोड्यूस करछन सेटा टिक्के पढ़ सर देखो
कोड
जोटा सर आज प्रोड्यूस करछन बाय द यूनिवर्सिटी
कोड देखले एटा इधर कॉल लिख
सर गवर्नमेंट देइछन दी रजिस्टर को सर
I'm reading
creation of
that
post
letter.
for Hon'Ble University, regularization of daily wage workers with reference to your letter number 39 2010 that is your
Okay, sir.
Sir.
I am with you, but problem is let them. There should be some ଯଦି ରେଗୁଲାର ଡେଲି ୱେଜ ୱାର୍କର ଯଦି ବ୍ୟାକଡୋର ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି କରି କରାହେଇଛି
नहीं सर बैकडोर एंट्री तो कराएनी बैकडोर कराएनी सर
I am trying to understand.
सर सेटा टिके सर मो
ଟିକେ ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଦୟାକରି ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ
Sir.
ଚୁପଚାପ ବସନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆଉ ଖାଲି ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ unnecessary disturbing. The Chancellor has relaxed the provision.
Lordship.
That is 7.3. What is 7.3 means that government prior approval permission.
Prior approval for temporary appointment. So we have only appointed temporary, and for the regulation we have forwarded to government. Petitioner had issued representation to us that we forwarded to government. Government
so
has
in order to
rejected.
dispense with the requirement of calling for names from the employment exchange for regulation of the
Okay.
daily wages workers as per rules.
Okay. So temporary appointment we have done after this, and accordingly there.
How many people are there?
सर सर 12 जनकर सर इंटरव्यू करके रखले
ଆପଣ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ କରିକି
हां सर इंटरव्यू टा सर अनेक्सर 6 रे अनेक्सर 6 रे इंटरव्यू
ଆପଣ ମାନେ ପ୍ରପରଲି
Interview ଦେଇ। प्रोसेस फॉलो करके ସେମାନେ ସେଟା ପଠେଇଲେ ଖାଲି only approve
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା କାମ କଲେଣି?
सर ଆମେ ତ सर काम करूनु 82 मसिया रो 82 रो काम करूनु 1982
ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କରି ଯାଇଥିବେ ସାର୍
नहीं सर आगु जणे दी जण रिटायर करि गेलଣି खाली सर खाली
82 ମସିହାରେ କାମ କରି ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କେମିତି କରିବିନି?
हां सर दी जण रिटायर करि गेलଣି आउ जो माने अछन 85
82
86
ମସିହାରେ ଆଜି ଡେଟରେ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା କହିଲେ?
नहीं सर 82 मसिया रो
ମୋର आंसर ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
हां सर 23 प्लस 18
ଆଜି ଡେଟ କେତେ ହେଲା?
हां 23 प्लस
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା?
33 प्लस सर सर
ପ୍ଲସ୍ ନାହିଁ ପୁରା କହନ୍ତୁ କାଗଜରେ ହିସାବ କରି କହନ୍ତୁ।
45 सर 41 हां
45 ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଚାକିରି କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ करे?
नहीं सर से रिटायर करि
ଆପଣ आंसर ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ करे? ଓଡିଶା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ 60 ବର୍ଷ
60 वर्ष
60 ବର୍ଷ ସେ 45 ବର୍ଷ ଚାକିରି ତା କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ସେତେବେଳେ ହଉଥିବ? ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମାରିଥିବ 25 ବର୍ଷ 25 ବର୍ଷ ନା 15 ବର୍ଷ 15 ବର୍ଷରେ ସେ କେମିତି ଚାକିରି ଗଲା?
सर टिके सर देखे दंतु बार बार सॉरी 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 सर
आंसर दियंतु
सर 1987 12/5/1987
काहे कहउछन न देखि जड़े सर जा गपुछन जा इच्छा ता 81 वर्ष 82 वर्ष बसिया वाली गोपी चलथि
12/5/1987
87 ले आपनकर फिर भी कम हो
हां रिटायर करियो सर
आगे कहउछन अछन बोली
नहीं तो मु सर अछि बोली नहीं सर मु कहली सर दादू दी जण रिटायर करियो
बाकीटा
बाकी ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ସବୁ
सब से 87 गले के
नहीं सर ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ସବସିक्वेंटली ଚାକିରି
କେତେ
କରିଛନ୍ତି
करछथि उल्टा सीधा कहि करी कोर्ट रू बको बनछ
92
हां एबे 87 आला 92 आला सब आइबो केते फेज रे सने एछि सब बैकडोर एंट्री
नहीं सर बैकडोर एंट्री नहीं सर
बैकडोर एंट्री
सर अनेक्सर 6 टा
आपण
देखो
एफिडेविट फाइल करंतु जे मनकर पूरा प्रॉपर यूनिवर्सिटी फाइल करू प्रॉपर रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस फॉलो कर कराई जे समस्त फाइल करू
हां सर
देन ओनली
सर सेमानु सर अनेक्सर 6 रे अनेक्सर 6 रे इंटरव्यू कले सर
nothing doing university to file an affidavit stating that all these employees who are before this court have been recruited by following proper procedure
सर
बैकडोर एंट्री को बीसी आनी के पूरी दिथिबो को रजिस्टर आनी के पूरी दिथिबो घर के मालिक
सर ताको पछरे जो माने सर जो माने सर जो माने माने बहुत पछरे जॉइन करछन से माने रेगुलर हि सेलेनी 2010 को सर
simple I want one answer they have been properly recruited selection process रे हेइ
हां सर अनेक्सर 6 रे पास वन रेगुलर हेले बाय इंटरव्यू अनेक्सर 6 पेज 18
सुनिबा नहीं यूनिवर्सिटी देबो ना आपण देबो
हां सर यूनिवर्सिटी देछि सर यूनिवर्सिटी लेटर सर
I want affidavit
सेटा खाली सर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सर अप्रूवल
I want affidavit nothing else file the affidavit by 1st November ओई पर आ केबे डिटेल है and when the interview take place everything को year में हला
we'll file it
काको 87 काको 82 काको 92 जो मनीषा कोई चलथि यूनिवर्सिटी दो नेक्स्ट
पब्लिश
portion first November next
39 Lord, appearing Lord here it is regarding challenge to the final merit list of the Gram Rozgar Sevak that is under
what is the problem with the merit list
my lord may kindly refer to the annexure 3 series 29 wherein notice was
Sir, मोदे पूरे question है पर आंसर ना देख मोदे
final
next
merit list,
refer करो
all
गाड़ी
the
चला
selected candidates, my lords,
मैं
they
पता
don't,
है कौन असुविधा है इतने
my lords,
what is the
fact-
problem
problem is, my lords, all the selected candidates, they don't meet the eligibility criteria, and the opposite parties have tried to regularize all the illegalities.
who are you
My lords, I am also one of the candidates.
one of the candidates
Belonging to Pipili block. My lords.
okay what happened
My lords, may I refer to an page 29. Notice was issued annexing all the candidates who applied for the post, and invited objections. If anyone has objection, they may file objection within 23/12/2017. Petitioner filed his objection regarding various candidates who did not meet eligibility criteria. He submitted on 19/12/2017. My lords, here, my lords may see they have published the final merit list, page 39.
what is the objection tell me first what
Objections is various objections that I have also mentioned. Various selected candidates.
ସବୁ
Some
candidate
have,
ର ଇତିହାସ ଭୂଗୋଳ ସବୁ ପଢିକି ଥିଲେ ନାଇଁ ମାନେ ତା ଅର୍ଥ ଆପଣ
those-
ଆପଣ ଜଣେ
those-
candidate ଯେ ସବୁ candidate ର
my
ସବୁ କଥା
grievance,
ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି
my
କେମିତି
grievance
ଜାଣିଲେ
is
ଏତେ
against
କଥା
the selected
ନା
candidates.
କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ ଏତେ କଥା ଆପଣ ଏତେ objection କାଢିଲେ କେମିତି
My lord, they have annexed the notice, my
Hmm.
lords. That is there in the remarks column, my lord. Page 30. 32, my lords.
tell me the objection part
Objections, my lords.
the objection
My lords, I am just submitting. If page
ନହେଲେ
para
ଏ
5.
ହେଲା, ସେ ହେଲା ୟାର ନାହିଁ ତାକୁ ସେ ହେଲା ତାର କଣ ସବୁ
My lords,
ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଭିତରେ
OP number 6 to 14, my lords. Here, page 5, if I may read, my lords.
ଆପଣ select ହେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
I have not been selected.
who
because,
has selected who has been selected
my lord, all 6 to 14, OP 6 to
6 to
14 have
14.
been selected under different
Category.
panchayat samitis. My lords. I belong to one of the panchayat samiti people.
what is the problem
Problem is, my lords, my lords, had they not been selected, I would have got the chance as per the
I'm
advertisement.
asking what is the problem with
Problem
the
is, my
selected
lord, OP
candidate
6 and 7 have submitted their residential certificates, which is more than 6 months old. OP 6 and 7. Thereafter, OP 8 has
more than
submitted.
6 months old one
My lord, as per the advertisement, the candidates were to submit the residential certificates within 6 months period from the date of advertisement. That should be within 6 months. That is clear criteria of the advertisement.
but your guidelines say 1 year
My lord, they have provided
the guidelines says
page 17. My lords, they have specifically stated at H6, H4. Is a resident certificate
you
issued
submitted
within
in
6
time.
months.
You submitted
I have submitted within time.
within that
Within 6
months.
months of the last date of the application.
Okay.
I have submitted that. There is no
So
issue.
that is the only thing.
No, other objections
what
also
are the
there. Other objections, my lord. OP number 8 has submitted. OP number 8 has submitted residential certificate which is 6 months old, as well as she has no computer certificate which is mandatorily required as per advertisement. Thereafter, my lords, OP 9 has submitted has not at all submitted residential certificate. Then OP 10, my lords, has not submitted residential certificate in her application form at the time of applying. And
So
OP
this is
11,
this is after the objection, after the date of objection.
my lord, date of objection, and more importantly, final merit list has been published before the last date of the objection. If my lords may see, my lord, they have granted time to submit an application within a particular time. Before the expiry of that period, they have published the final merit list. And in the
Yes,
counter,
what's the answer to this? Who is answering? Yes.
And I am appealing for the DRDA.
DRDA Puri. Okay.
Puri.
The first objection is saying that the certificate, one by one. You sit down. Residential have the culture of sitting down when other person. Okay. Abhyas karan denge. The respondent, sorry, these people, those who have been selected, first thing, they have not given the residential certificate in time, right? Okay. So what do you say?
Actually, there was a default setting in the computer which led to all these misconception.
Then you should have simply you should have totally you should have
when it was brought into the-
order for reselection.
When it was brought into the notice, it
No
was
one thing.
correct.
They have been appointed.
My lord,
One of the selection.
my lord, actually, they need to appear, my lord. Those who have opposite party number 6, they have not appeared, my lord. let them appear, and they have also filed the rejoinder, and we have not got.
Forget the rejoinder, counter, all these things, simple thing. One objection, they have many of them have not submitted in time, number one. Number two, he is saying the result was before the objection date. How could that happen?
No, result was not published before the objection.
No, that's what he's saying.
No.
Objection date was what? Last date of objection केवे थिला? What is the last date of objection? Forget the affidavit, come to this, na?
Advertisement.
Is your list of the objection? That must be there.
Page 29.
Page 29, yes. 13/12/2017.
My lord. It is written last date 23/12/2017.
23 or 13?
13/12 টা হচ্ছে notice date টা in para they have stated
objection টা কেবে
23/12/2017 within 23/12/2017
ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇଏ ଫାଇନାଲ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ କେବେ ଆଇଲା?
Annexure 5 page 39 they have published final merit list on 23/9/2017.
23/9.
Well,
objection 12 ରେ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା 9 ରେ
23/9/2017.
December ରେ objection ମଗାଇଲା ଏଟା
Before issuance of the notice itself they have published final merit list and they have just tried to regularize all the illegal.
There is lot of wrongdoings there, right?
My lord.
You tell your DRD officer to not to repeat this kind of thing. Yes. Is it not? Before the date of objection, how could you? What instruction will you take? The document speaks volume.
My lord, I bowed down, my lord. There was some default setting in the computer.
Don't blame computer for everything. No, nothing. Do one thing. Tell your officer to cancel everything and have fresh thing.
My lord, the one date may begin. Serve the rejoinder. I will just take it.
Cancel the entire selection process. Have advertised fresh.
My lord, we will do that. Just one.
And also for this, your DRD, PD DRD to be present before this court. He has to explain why he has done it.
There was an error in the computer.
Not error. Computer का दोष दोष हम पृथ्वी को computer बोलता हम computer कल भूलेला.
My lord, when it was brought to the notice, we have rectified that error.
Computer भूलेगा सब दोष computer बोला देलो. वाह.
Simply let them serve the
nothing doing
and the opposite parties may appear.
They may not appear also. Why should they will have trouble to appear before this court? Why? You have committed some mistake. You have to they have to be rectified. Huh? AD फेडी छाड़ा मो AD कौन करो AD ना ये procedure एरु मुझे आये नहीं substance को देखो तू. He has rightly shown that there are a lot of mistakes, lot of irregularities. Not mistakes.
If there is irregularity, that will be rectified, my lord.
Not rectified. It has to go.
It will be cancelled, my lord, as per the order. Just one thing again, we take the instruction.
Do one thing. Tell your BD DRD to present before this court and explain this on 17th 2 p.m.
Virtual.
Virtual. I don't call anybody personally. Not never. Let him appear virtually. Nothing doing your PD DRD to explain. 17th. Let him appear virtually. The PD DRD Puri to appear before this court virtually on 17th at 2 p.m. And to explain regarding the irregularity, the alleged irregularity in the selection process of what is this? Gram Rozgar Seva. ये छोटे छोटे चाकरी भी छाड़ू ना दे नहीं सब बुतरे मारी बसी. These are people getting 5-10,000 with क्षेत्र में corruption. Corruption तो देखा जाए जो corruption बिना corruption के कोई 100% corruption. ଜିନିଷ ଭୁଲ କଲା କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ବାପ ଆଉ କାହାକୁ ନା ପାଇଲେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିବା ତାହେଲେ ଆଉ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ଆନ୍ସର ଦେବ ଆଉ କଣ କରିବ? That is the only thing. Now computer will answer everything.
Error in the computer, that's all.
Answer those are believable kathate ko.
Again.
Next.
Item 40.
Item 40. Valid received by
Counter affidavit. Today in course of the day, I'm filing my rejoinder. Maybe taken off any date next week as your lordship.
What is the issue?
Issue, Malay, in this case, the order under annexure 4 is under challenge. That has been passed.
An issue bala annexure 4 issue no.
No.
Kaun issue ta koi
With
na
regard-
annexure 4 on the challenge.
The collector has rejected my representation with regard to continuance in the post of Asa Karmi and issued a fresh advertisement that is under annexure 4 at page 21, my lord.
Collector
And-
kare pade na CDMO kare pade.
No, see, they have given after rejecting my representation, the collector has given a direction to the CDM for fresh advertisement.
To asudha kaun?
No, my lord, in their counter they have taken.
Let's see the counter. How unnecessary rejoinder time waste kain kari. ଆପଣ ତ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ
ସେ counter copy ଟା
ନାଇଁ ଏଟା କିଛି କେସ୍ ନାହିଁ କାଉଣ୍ଟର
No,
ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ଟାଇମ ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
in the counter affidavit, they have taken a stand.
କାଉଣ୍ଟର ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ଟାଇମ ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁନି
Your lordship can
Straight-
appreciate-
straight come.
Lordship kind of last to page 9, straightly lordship take page 9, my lord. The resignation letter.
Page 9.
Counter affidavit dated 15/3/2020,
Yes.
page 9. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଲେ ପିଟିସନ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର inability ଦେଲେ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ ପାରିବାରିକ କାରଣରୁ ମତେ ଏଇ ଗାଁ ଛାଡି ଅନ୍ୟତ୍ର ରହିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଫଳରେ ମୁଁ ଆଶା କର୍ମୀ ଆଉ ତୁଳାଇ ପାରିବି ନାହିଁ
No, that is the cross.
ଆପଣ
No, I have not resigned.
ରିଜାଇନ କଲେ
Yes, well, that is
फिर ଆପଣ
for which I am filing. Yes, well, that is the cross. Well, I have never
What is the
resigned.
cross?
I have not filed.
ଏଇଟା କିଏ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଲେଖିଦେଲା ତାହେଲେ
Seven actually, they have taken a signature in the Asa during my illness, my lord. Here they have taken a signature in a blank paper, on the basis of which they are saying that
ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୁ ଯାଉ ତାହେଲେ
no, my lord. Your lordship, that is a representation in my. Your lordship can appreciate, my lord, for which the entire whole villagers as well as local people they have made a representation. No. Your lordship can.
CDMO accept କଲେ ପୁଣି
No, resignation, the question of resignation does not arise. Your lordship can appreciate on at page 16, my lord.
ମାନେ एकदम straight ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି CDMO ତାକୁ accept କରିଛି
No. See,
chief
for which I am filing
officer
for which I am filing certain documents in my rejoinder.
Sir, I am not the code to verify the signature of a person.
No, signature. Your lordship
This is
can,
not the code to do that.
your lordship can glance at page 16.
If you have
Where-
anything, if somebody has done this, go and file criminal complaint against that person and let the criminal court
and
take
in
care
their
of it.
counter affidavit,
ଆଉ ଏତେ
just-
କଥା କହନ୍ତୁନି
no, they have
ଯଦି ଆପଣ କିଏ କରିଛି ଏଟା ବୋଲି ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି
your lordship
Canal
can
execution.
kindly glance at page 16. Your lordship kindly appreciate it. Page 16.
ମୁଁ କୋଉଟା ଯିବିନି ମୁଁ ଏଇଥିରେ ଏଇ ଗୋଟେ ପେଜରୁ ଆକୁ ଯିବିନି ମୁଁ
No, your lordship,
nothing doing
because in rejoinder.
you yourself has resigned
No, I have never resigned. Until date, my lord, since notice has been issued in my interim
you
application,
have
till date,
resigned sir
I am working in the same post. In the same post of Asa Karmi, and till date, in their counter affidavit, they have taken a stand. There are no suitable candidates, no suitable. Yes, my lord. No suitable. They have taken a stand. I do not have.
2018 କାମ କରୁଥିଲି
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. And ମୋ ପାଖରେ counter affidavit ସେ rejoinder ଟା ଯୋଉ file କରୁଛି. Yes. Yes, my lord. Till date, I am in my rejoinder. I have taken a stand till date.
let him take it
Yes, my lord.
ଆପଣ କାମ କରୁଛି ତାର ଥାଏ ମାନେ accept ହେଇଛି
They have taken a stand in the counter.
ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଲେ ତାହେଲେ
No. They have
no
because your
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ
in the
just hold on answer my question ଏତେ ତରବର କାଇଁ ହଉଛନ୍ତି
Yes, my lord.
ଯୋଉ ଭୁଲ
In-
ଚକ୍କା ସେ ତରବର ହୁଏ
No,
ହଁ ଆଉ ଧରା
ଭୁଲ-
ଚକ୍କରେ ଏମିତି ସବୁ ଏମିତି କଲେ ହବନି ପୁରା step by step
I
ମୁଁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ କରିସାରିଲିଣି ମୋର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଆଗ ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଲି ଆପଣ ରେଜିଗ୍ନେସନ ଦେଲେ
I am not given resign, my lord.
ଓକେ ଆପଣ ଦେଲେନି ହଉ ଫର ଦ ଟାଇମ ବିଂ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ନଟ୍ ଓକେ ଆପଣ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି ପୁଣି କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସଲି
Yes.
ଆପଣ ଆସିଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ
Exactly, that is my point. Under annexure 4 at page.
ଏଇ annexure ଛାଡିକି କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Sorry, my lord.
I don't like this annexure
Since
4
due to my illness, I was under.
ସିଧା ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ ସିଧା ମୋତେ ଓରାଲି କୁହନ୍ତୁ annexure ଫେକ୍ସର କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Fact of the case is that
ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ବି ପଚାରୁନି ମୁଁ
due to my illness,
ପଚାରୁନି ତା ବିଷୟରେ ଆନ୍ସର
due to my illness, I was absent for certain period
କେତେ
for 2 to 3 months due to my chronic
ଆଶା
illness.
କର୍ମୀ ଗୋଟେ 3 ମାସ ତା କାମ କରିବନି
No, I was.
ଆପଣ ଚାକିରି ବାହାର କରିଦେବା କଥା
I was cooperating. I was cooperating like anything, and since nobody was there,
okay
and since I made an representation before the concerned authority to allow me to work, for which I agree, being aggrieved by that order, I move before this honorable.
you just check it whether
Verify. Yes, my lord. In
whether
rejoinder,
this-
I am also taking that stand.
not a concept of the state to take instruction regarding the continuation of the present petition at which post
Asa Karmi, my lord.
Asa Karmi at which place
Place, my lord, village Godwar under CHC Deogaon.
CSC Devgaon.
Devgaon, district Bargarh.
Godwa.
Yes, village Godwa, CHC Devgaon.
Devgaon. Okay.
Oblige.
Let him come. Okay, let's give a short date. 30th.
Oblige.
Okay, after lunch. Forty-one.
There is a noting that item number 59 will be taken up at 2 p.m. You know. Item number 59 will be
59.
taken up to 2
Item
p.m.
59. 2 p.m.
Whether 59.
That lookout matter also.
Item 59.
Yes.
In
Let's take up the small matter. I've been thinking there.
Lordship, in item number 59,
Just let's take up some small matter. It can be finished quickly. If people are not very.
my lord, in item number 59, in 3 cases, the state has to file the counter for the lockout.
59.
59, yes. We may be permitted 2 weeks time to file the counter.
Yes.
In that 59, there are 2 matters where counters have been filed that's covered by the division bench order. My lord. So that can be taken up separately. I think
Yes,
bridge collapse.
yes, I file a written note argument, my
That
lord.
can be segregated.
Yes,
And other matters can be posted.
that can be taken up, my lord. I have
Yes.
no objection. There is
So why then let's take up together? Why not separate it?
My lord, so far as
Let it be hard together.
my case is concerned, that is
I'm
not.
not in that sense. I'm on the issue of hearing together mean that I'm segregating but on the same day. Let's hear it on that same day. So
After vacation.
The points
sir, I know that, sir. I'm saying a different, not on a different, together. It will be on a same date, but not together.
My lord, that will do.
So let it come on. You want 2 weeks time? State.
2 weeks time.
Sorry, you are saying something?
in both of my.
Oh, you are saying that your stay is there. Stay is operating against you.
an application for vacation stay also. I agree with Mr. Miswal. These 2 matters. if
ठीक
can
है
be
और कितने
posted
तो आगे
earlier.
करें. Let's see that together. So 7th November.
My lord.
That's-
In my case, my lord, 70, a fresh notice has to go to opposite number 5 because opposite number 5 is the complainant and notice has not run. 70 of 2023.
59.
59, 70 of 20. Last vote, sub item, last vote 1.
7-6.
73. Last vote 1.
73. Okay.
77.
Notice to go.
The notice to go on opposite part number 5.
In 73. Issue notice to the opposite parties. All opposite parties.
No. All opposite, only opposite number 5. Because all of the opposite parties have already, notice has gone, they have.
Open number 5.
So far as
Incremental could continue.
so far as sub item number 5, that is WPC number 21206 of 2022. Copy has not been served. Your lordship.
Oh, you sub copy.
Yes,
my case. I'll serve the
You sub the copy. Give a copy. Give a copy to me. How किसी की वही बात खाना तो ना मैं सुनू नहीं focus. I've posted to 7. So वही बात ऐसे data रखे था. सब से ना देखे. हला. इनका संग तो सुनिए आओ. आओ separate लगा देखिए.
Soldier is already armed with weapons.
Sir, unfortunately, many soldiers are nowadays coming without weapon. Without weapon,
So-
they are using chat GPT as
So
weapon.
my God, your Lordship is the chief commander. Whenever it is required, so
Mhm.
so. Otherwise.
Commander from that side.
That's why
Obliged.
2 o'clock because today was 2
Ah,
o'clock.
2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. ठीक है. And that date will finish. Okay? So don't take further adjournment. No party should be allowed to take further adjournment.
In the meantime,
आज ये पार्टी फर्दर एजेंट नबो ताको लक्ष्य टाका लगा कष्ट करी हला गवर्नमेंट को कोई दोची आपण अर्जेंट नंबर आपण मास्टर ना
in the meantime, we will be filing the complaint.
काउंटर फाइल करो टाइम नेबे यदि पैसा देकी गनेबे मना नहीं पैसा गणिके नेबे टाइम मिनिमम 1 L के नहीं L लोकायुक्त जे कोन जाउची आपण को लोकायुक्त बडा हित आपण तो फाइल करियो न फाइल करो मुझे देबी आ लोकायुक्त करो कि मो कोन जाउची ठीक है कितने मतलब
Item 41.
41
Let's say rejoinder needs to file the matters.
Rejoinder
And my let's that drug license matter with the lot to recollect. My let's filing a
You have to file rejoinder.
a writ petition regarding that cancellation and eviction of that plot.
Yes.
It's likely to come up next week, my lords. In the meantime, my lords, the interim protection will be continued. Otherwise, this interim protection of the license would become infructuous if they come to evict me.
is the interim protection to continue
And status quo for operation of the medical store.
status को पर operation में request continues no
Deeply.
ये
Rejoinder in the meantime, my lords, only public.
rejoinder filing limited list the matter on 7th
After vacation.
after 7th
Please, ma'am. Oblige, lordships.
Right.
Item 42.
42
May I please, your lordship. My lord, on the last occasion has directed me to come prepared on the aspect, my lord, whether the opposite party bank can levy damages in the form of prepayment charges without any determination.
Oh, prepayment.
Yes, my lord. So without any determination, whether bank can levy such damages or not. My lord, I need some more time to go through the job, my lord. Go prepared on the judgments, my lord. Right.
कितने दिन लगे बेटा 22 ରୁ गला 23 हैरानी जजमेंट पड़ा तो असर नहीं
Some more time.
और छुट्टी पर 3rd November हाँ but come prepared let's finish it ए रोइलानी बहुत दिन अब एते थर टाइम मागंदे भल लागे ना क्लाइंट टाइम मागे पैसा दी मोटे मन আছে ଗୋଟେ क्लाइंट मते टाइम मागे फे मते माने
Item 43.
43
May please, your lordship. Matter related to non-payment of outstanding of the opposite party bank.
you are here for the petitioner what is your case कितने outstanding अछि
किसी नहीं आगे. This is a case that Willers Eco Bank has had a particular generator set Willers.
genset hire kole apna
आगे. আমি কলু 2009 ରୁ 9 ରୁ কলা ପରେ there is an agreement till 2013 Willers. 13 ପରେ there is no agreement nothing Willers. Mutual basis रे consent basis ରେ 2021 जाए आगे चलला ପରେ ଆମର ଯେହେତୁ ଆମର policy decision ନେଲେ head office ନେଲା ଆମେ ultimately ତାକୁ notice ଦେଲେ 2021 November ପରଠାରୁ will not hire anything you please shift your year till November 21 we have paid everything Willers. I have also filed today a further affidavit. I have also given the
फिर कौन असुविधा होला so पाइला पर आपण को भाई
till the my till date matter they have utilized my DG matter DG set DG set with them
till date माने
आपण नेवा पे आपण नेनो थी वाला के करियो आपण till that वाला हो आपण ने काई देउ नांती आपण नेवा पे को आउची नहीं जीवी सीधा
madam may pray till the utilization period they have to pay my at least 100
nothing they have not utilized I should pay
that is paid.
आपण नेबे नी पके के रखिबे की कोन
they are saying that but the petition has not received just to take that notice there matter they have not seen notice received
2021 बाबू नोटिस देछि
आपण बदमाश पिटिशनर जे नो बदमाश अब आपण तो यूज करिबुनी कहले आपण तो आपण मशीन धरि पळेबे आपण को पे रखि के बसती
This is manner, then they have to pay some, issue some notice, take your.
They have done that.
They have not received my lord, my petition.
Receive न कले किए कौन करेगा? आपण से घरे अच्छे आपण घरे आपण receive न करेगी किए कौन करेगा?
So my prayer, my lord, till the utilization of period, they have to be at least.
कोड से नोटिस टा देके देख ले.
Okay, your lordship, just have a glance 2 minutes. Counter affidavit minutes. B annexure B minutes.
We would like to inform you that as per the agreement letter dated for rent no more record of you. Hence, you are requested to shift the machine. आपण तो दिया है जी नोटिस आपण न कले किए कौन करेगा? तापर आपण सॉरी गलानी भी.
आगे से 12-13 आगे सल्लानी.
देखो खाली आपण चले थे.
आगे exactly.
जो differential amount, जो differential amount, my lord, they have
differential amount, sir.
So 1,000 per month. They have debited my accounts without taking any supporting document from me.
आपण debit करिवे.
Simply they are debiting my account, my lord.
केमती? कौन पर debit कले?
जो differential amount जो 1,000 दबा था, my lord.
Differential amount 1,000 दबा वाला?
Rent 9,000.
It is
Differential
maintainable.
amount what? I don't understand what it is. Sir, what are we saying? What is the differential amount?
10,000 दबा था 9,000 दो थिले. That 1,000 rupees they have debited my account.
आपण का agreement कितने दे दिया थिला?
9,000 थिला.
ना 10,000 ना था 10 का मैं दे दी. Agreement क्या देख ले? अच्छी agreement?
हाँ से फाइल करते हैं.
कोडी.
Read फाइल करते हैं.
काई agreement नहीं था?
But as per the Honorable Supreme Court decision, as you will also.
Supreme Court decision कहीं बार-बार कौन
Case 6.
कौन annexure one अच्छा. Lawyer notice है मैं पढ़ूँ कोई नहीं था आपको. Lawyer notice.
Lawyer no agreement
no. किसी nothing doing sir. Case is
Annexure 2 my lord.
किसी This is filed by you.
Okay, sorry.
देखो. देखो, the petitioner has filed the present petition. Held by the present petition against the opposite party, which is not releasing the pending arrear bills since long, despite the request, reminder, notice, etc. However, upon this said, the petitioner had installed the diesel generator set to the in the
branch of the Eco Bank.
Branch of the Eco Bank.
Suryanagar branch, Bhubaneswar.
Surendra.
Suryanagar branch.
Suryanagar branch.
Bhubaneswar.
And accordingly, the opposite party bank used to pay rupees 9,000 per month as lease rent of the said genset. Subsequently, see, he thinks that the rent was revised.
Revised to 10,000 during 2013. After that, there is no revision, no agreement.
But if revised to 10,000, he's right. Then 1,000 rupees.
We have even given. I have already given the statement. Even statement of account minutes of the bank.
1,000 rupees.
Yes, everything we have kept.
Today they have.
Today have.
So then how do you say that 1,000 rupees are?
I have got some. This code only they have given.
You verify.
You know that. See that.
Right.
After like the 9,000, which was later revised to rupees 10,000 with effect from 1/11/2011. As a result of which, the bank, the said bank has been इधर में किंतु जानी विचार इधर कोड 1,000 देशों दी तो कम से कम थोड़े ये तो मार्क तो कर देगा
तो अच्छे ना अपने देखो ना अनेक डी देखो ना पेज 7 आगे पेज 7 देखो लगे करछी ना सब डिटेल्स टोटल दीजिएगा माने ताको सैटिस्फैक्शन पे काहे कि से लोगडा जति जतले इंस्टॉल करथिला
1,000 वहां दिया कि तो 1,000 आप कोड देले
अपने देखो ना देखि अनेक डी पेज 7
सर 9,000 है तो 4,800 4,800 4,800 कौन पड़ी ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି ଏଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆଉ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି ଏଠି ଜଣା ପଡିବ
এটা but towards more clearly the amount related to SBI account of Dipti Ranjan Mahapatra towards general said rent.
ଯେ ଆପଣ ଥରେ ଥରେ 18,000 ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଥରେ ଥରେ 1,000 ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଥରେ 4,800 4,800 କଣ ପାଇଁ
ତାପରେ ଆହୁରି ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଛି ତାର ଗୋଟେ ଲୋନ୍ ଥିଲା ଲୋନ୍ କୁ ବି ଆମେ ବି ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର କରିଛୁ ସେ ସିଟ୍ ବି ଦେଇଛି ସବୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାକ୍ସନ ପାଇଁ ଦେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା କୋଉଠି ଗୋଟେ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଏ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମିଲର ଦେयर ଇଜ नो ଏନିମିଟି ୱିଥ ଦି ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ
that I know.
ଆମର ରଖିବାର ବି କଣ ଜଷ୍ଟିଫିକେସନ ଅଛି
However, the land council, the bank submits that the the petitioner, the opposite party bank has paid the rent as agreed during the period and availed the generator set service as per the policy decision. The bank withdrew the said services and intimated the petitioner with a letter dated 28/10/2021, stating that the diesel generator is no more required by the bank. Accordingly, the bank requested the petitioner to shift the machine generator set from the bank premise, and he has intimated therein as a generator is not required, and the petitioner was intimated that the generator be taken from the premise. However, the petitioner has not taken the genset from the premise and has approached this court seeking the lease rent, the payment of lease rent by the bank. Since the there was no use of the service of the genset, after the intimation to the petitioner cannot claim any kind of lease rent from the genset. He has also filed the detail of the payment made to the present petitioner on account of the lease rent, in connection with the lease rent paid to the petitioner. He also denied that the accretion of rupees 1,000, the enhancement of rupees, the lease rent announced from rupees 9,000 to 10,000, and the the bank has paid the entire amount without any balance due. In such view of the matter, as the petitioner has failed to make out a case, accordingly, the petition is dismissed.
Item 44.
44.
Adjournment is required, madam. As to the outer rate of again. As to the outer rate of 15,060 Assam Rasta.
What is the case about?
Police loan and Mahalakshmi Sanchod Yojana plus fraud loan. Fraud loan.
Fraud
loan.
Fraud loan.
Again.
Okay. What is that?
Illegal ଗୋଟେ ଚାକିରି କରୁଥିଲା ତାର ଚାକିରି ପିରିୟଡ ଭିତରେ ଲୋନ ପଇସା କଟା ହଉଥିଲା ତାପରେ ସେ ଚାକିରି ଡିସମିସ୍ ହେଲା ସେଟା ଇଲିଗାଲ କାଲକୁଲେସନ ହେଇକି ପଇସା ଗୋଟେ ରହିଛି ଆଉ
so you on time
man.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the bank through VC, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this writ petition, they have challenged the rejection letter wherein their OTS scheme has been rejected. Your Lordship, according to the OTS circular of Odisha Gramya Bank, which has been attached in the counter affidavit, it is clearly mentioned that ex-staff of the bank, along with people who have availed jewel loan, are ineligible for OTS scheme.
Okay. So you are ineligible for the OTS scheme, matter ends. What can we do? Court can't do anything.
মানে ইলিগাল টা ক্যালকুলেশন করুন সেটা কোন
হ্যাঁ
ইলিগাল ক্যালকুলেশন ହେଇଛି ସେଟା কি?
ইলিগাল কোন ମ ସବୁ କଥାରେ ଇଲିଗାଲ ଲଗାଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ଡିପିଏମ ଲୋନ ଟା ତାଙ୍କର ସେ ସର୍ଭିସ ରେ
ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରନ୍ତୁ କୋର୍ଟ କିଛି କରିବେ
ମାନେ ମୁଭ ଫର ଆପ୍ରୁଭଡ ଅଥରିଟି ଲିବର୍ଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ହୁଁ
ଲିବର୍ଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ମୁଭ କରିବି ଆପ୍ରୁଭଡ ଅଥରିଟି
ହଁ the OTS non-consent the petitioner submits that the petitioner has moved before the bank with an application for OTS which was rejected because the petitioner is an ex-employee of the bank. Be that as it may, the petitioner to approach the bank for any other grievances to be redressed, and the bank shall consider sympathetically within a period of full stop. The petitioner to approach the bank within a period of 1 week, and the bank shall dispose of the representation within 1 month thereafter. Disposal. Next.
Item 45.
45. 45.
In this case, I have already filed rejoinder affidavit. The advocate for the OP number 2, the HODCO is not present. So let it come. Yes. So let it come after
The
vacation.
opposite party number 2 Hotco. We have already filed the counter affidavit. Already.
You want to file?
Yes.
You have not filed?
No, already filed counter affidavit.
Then
I have already filed rejoinder affidavit, already served the copy.
Then what do you want?
My lord, my senior is on the way.
Who is your senior?
My Tuna sir, Mr. Tuna sir. Mr. Tuna sir.
Tuna sir.
Tuna Sahu. Okay. So a busy man. So you have read the file? Have you read the file?
My lord, I am not prepared well.
Not prepared well. So you argue the case, I will see that. Argue it.
Say prayer for an illegal deduction of loan amount towards the gratuity amount.
Illegal deduction of loan amount by this
Yes,
bank. Then the yes.
My account already has
Apna
been.
kaha par?
The PPL 3 and 4.
Private deposit.
Yes. The PPL manner.
PPL.
Under whom the petitioner is employed.
PPL kaun kare? PPL to kaun? Bank mein matlab. Okay, let him come then. 11 rakh.
46.
46.
May I please, your lords? So, my lord, unique case of its own character, my lord. Your lordship will find this opposite party number 3.
Kid.
Opposite party number 3, he is the actual loanee of the bank, my lord. My lord, he was the employee of the same bank. He took a loan in the year 1994, my lord. Then that was cleared in the year 2000 by the end of 2020, my lord. My lord, thereafter he sold the property to me, my lord. Under Annexure 1, if your lordship will kindly turn to Annexure 1, my lord.
What happened? Tell me.
My lord, after the selling, my lord, in the year 2003, my lord, he again raised a loan from the same bank, my lord, by my lord, extending the same property as the secured property, my lord. My lord, when he had no existing title over the property, my lord. Now, my lord, again, my lord, thereafter also he took 2 other loans, my lord. 2 other education loans, my lord.
Education loan.
2 other education loans and in the name of his son and daughter. My lord, he became a defaulter. Now the bank is going to attach my property, my lord, which I have purchased after the first loan was cleared in the year 2000. I purchased it in the year 2003, my lord.
When you purchased, was it clear title holder?
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
No encumbrance?
No encumbrance, my lord.
Pakka?
Then there was no mortgage, nothing, my lord. Mortgage was already
complete ହେଇନଥିବ ଆପଣ
କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖି ସବୁ କିଣିଛୁ ଆମେ ସବୁ ଭେରିଫାଇ କରି ସାରିଲା ପରେ କିଣିଲୁ
କେମିତି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ସେମିତି କରିବା କଥା ନାହିଁ
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ତ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେମାନେ ଇଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି and they have filed a counter your lordship may kindly turn to their counter very cunningly they have filed the counter my lord your lordship will find paragraph 2 of their counter my lord page 2 they say I'm just reading my lord that paragraph 2 that
so
is very
you have purchased the land and this lady sold the land
this opposite party number 3 who is the owner of the
opposite party number 3 sold the land to
sold the land to me in the year 2003 when there was no bank loan my lord there was no due of the bank my lord so far as the previous loan is concerned my lord
okay
my lord your lordship may kindly turn to my lord paragraph 2 of their counter
I'm there paragraph 2
my lord the creation of equitable mortgage by Sri Y Ganapati of UGB H12 KPGB on dated 18/5/1994 on khata number so and so plot number so and so within the Gunpur NSC that is the present my lord, land in dispute for availing a house loan of rupees 2 lakhs favoring Sri Y Ganapati. Then my lord supplementary recital extension of equitable mortgage by Sri Y Ganapati on dated 15/11/2005 for an additional housing building loan of rupees 1,50,000. Then my lord only at UGB Rayagada favoring Sri Y Ganapati then supplementary recital by Sri Y Ganapati on dated
ଏଥିରେ କଣ ଏଥିରେ
ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ ଦେଖୁଛି କାହିଁକି ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ତିନିଟା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ଲୋନ ତା ତଳେ ଯୋଉ କଲମଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି your lordship may kindly have a glance
I am not on that
1.5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା or 3.5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା 2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଯୋଉ subsequently ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି after 2005 that is the pending my lord the previous loan there is no outstanding due my lord these three my lord
the thing is how if your property was encumbered maybe a possibility that you might have purchased the property without knowing that there is
no my lord I have verified every document my lord and the bank account also I verify
ଏତେ mistake କରିବା କଥା
କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଜୁର ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ ବାକି ଅଛି
yes sir let him yes
the mortgage is the title deeds with me and there is the bank till today no encumbrance no mutation he has said that they are clear let him produce that document that he has cleared then there is no case
no my lord once
in para 2 he has said no mutation no
the bank na
mutation ସେତେବେଳେ ବି ହେଇନି ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ବି mutation ହେଇନି
personal documents is still today with us
so why don't you show that original let's see that and the original was also encumbered katha kendi
and my learned friend is also appearing for the opposite party number 3 who is the original loanee my lord no the loanee has to pay my lord I am a purchaser of the land subsequently my lord after the first loan was cleared no, let them show that the first loan there is outstanding due if that is clear
we have now challenged the notice and action taken by the surfacing act there is a provision alternative remedy under section 17 if the borrower or any person who is affected he can file an appeal and he has to deposit 75% of the money.
No.
That's why
my lord, how can I go, my lord?
Everybody is coming here.
Without going there, he has come.
This surface, it is a surface proceeding is there.
Yes. Surface Act,
No,
notice has gone, action was taken. About to sell me that I have given the advertisement.
I am a third person so far as surface is concerned, my lord.
Then
I am a third party so far as surface is concerned.
Even for that.
No,
even
my lord,
the third party
the loanee or the guarantor. I am neither the loanee nor the guarantor, my lord.
Once surface proceedings comes in, then you have to
so I cannot go in a appeal before the.
No, you can go.
No, I
Why?
cannot.
You can go. Who said you can't go?
My lord,
now you are because bank is attaching your property. Then why? Who can go then? If you can't go, you'll go.
No, my lord, because if I am a loanee, I have
Sir, how many
because
say we are not loan, but once the
ଆଜ୍ଞା
bank them.
ମୁଁ ହଜୁର ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯିବି ସେମାନେ ମତେ 75% ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍
No,
କରିବା ପାଇଁ
କରିବେ,
କହିବେ I have to deposit ମାନେ I bring 75%.
75%.
My lord, will it be, my lord, I have no liability. The bank is there, the loanee is there, my lord. My lord, they are also not, my lord, I had gone to.
The proceeding is there, it is better to address there, not here, sir.
Whole difficulty is, my lord.
Whole difficulty is it is not maintainable.
My lord,
That is the whole difficulty.
I'm just putting it this way, my lord. My lord, when I am going to lodge an FIR against the bank, my lord.
You do
Against that man, my lord. The police is not receiving the FIR, saying that if the bank lodges the FIR, will proceed against him, my lord. The bank is not going. The entire thing is going on, my lord. He has a hand with the bank people, and so bank is not proceeding against him and proceeding against me. My lord, your lordship will find, my lord, if this is the situation,
Sir,
once I bring it
sir,
to
when
the.
you are purchasing the property, maybe you have been misled by the.
No, my lord, there is no question of let them say.
Why should the bank will change you?
ସେଇ ଦିନ ଯଦି କିଛି ବି outstanding previous
ଯୋଉଠି proceeding ଅଛି ସେଠି ହେବ ଏଠି କିଛି ହେବାର ନାହିଁ.
proceeding ସେଠିକି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଗଲେ I will be penalized that way.
Otherwise also I am not entitled to hear this matter, because this is that DB will hear this.
No, because my lord, I have not come against the surface.
Justice Das ko 3-4 court chhadi
My lord, I cannot go in a surface. Because I have not come against the surface. Why I have come against this?
More ये जो roster non-surface bank matter.
Right.
Non-surface.
I have not come against the surface, my lord. I have come so far as Annexure 4 is concerned, my lord. Your lordship may kindly have a glance so far.
No, sir. Anyway, rightly or wrongly, you are entangled.
Annexure 4, I have made a.
Yes. Rightly or wrongly, you are entangled. Right? You may be right. But whatever right or wrong, it has to be decided there, not here. I can't decide this. This is matter of surface. Pending.
ମୁଁ ଆଗେ କୋଉଟା against ଆସିଛି ହଜୁର ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ Annexure 4
କଥା ନୁହେଁ ରିଡ୍ ବନେଇବା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ବନେଇବାକୁ ପଡେ ସେଟା ରିଡ୍ ବନେଇବା ପାଇଁ ନହେଲେ ବି କାହାକୁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇକି ଯେମିତି ସାଇଜ ବନେଇ
ନା ହଜୁର ମୁଁ Annexure 4 ଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ page 22
Annexure 4 କୋଉଟା ଦେଖିବେ
ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ରିଭାନ୍ସ ଦେଇଛି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ରେ ଏଥିପାଇଁ
ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଇଛି ସବୁ bringing all these things facts to their knowledge.
No.
Now the bank will proceed against me, my lord.
Of course.
How can I, my lord?
They can. ଆପଣ
ମୋର property ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯେକୌଣସି ଲୋକ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଦେବେ
ସରଫେସି ଲାଗିଲା ପରେ ଆଉ ଗ୍ରିଭାନ୍ସ ଏଇ ଗ୍ରିଭାନ୍ସ ଲେଟର ମାନେ କଣ କିଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଜଣେ ମୋ ଘରଟାକୁ ବନ୍ଦା ଦେଇଦବ ମୋ ତାଙ୍କର ଟାଇଟଲ ନାହିଁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା ସରଫେସି ରେ ସେ ଘରକୁ ଆସିବେ ମୁଁ ଯିବି ସରଫେସି ରେ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ ଫେସ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଭେରି
ନିୟମ क्या କରିବେ ସରଫେସି
ଏଇଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ନିୟମ ହଉଛି ଯଦି the meaning of that section is my lord anybody affected by means my lord
so you are affected you go there
the loanee or the guarantor they can go my lord
even you are also any affected party any person who is affected
including borrower
including borrower that doesn't mean exclude you you have to go there.
How can I be my lord
क्या करें this is the law से pending matter सेठी कहले सिना pending
आगे सेठी की गले मु जे करि परिबी कि सस्टेन करि परिबी कि 75% देई कि सेठी
आपण केते पैसा
मु आगे कोन आगे सीओ वर्तन कोन डिमांड करलेनी
से प्रॉपर्टी रे वैल्यू केते
वैल्यूएशन प्रॉपर्टी केते मु सेते बेले किनिथिली
लोन अमाउंट केते
आगे
लोन अमाउंट केते
लोन अमाउंट वर्तन सेवन देखो 7 लाख तापर इंटरेस्ट सहित से माने 20 लाख पर्यंत गलेनी
हाईली प्लेस
को पिला माने हां लोनिंग कर पिला माने हाईली प्लेस you can recover from them my lord and so far as education loan is concerned how can you take mortgage in a
education loan को से पिला ना तो फेरो ना दी पैसा
नहीं that is the bank he is appearing for the
let him
education loan पिला ना loan सुझा ना दी की
my lord the bank is at liberty to recover that loan but they have resorted to surface act and
नहीं आज आपण काई एजुकेशन लोन के पिला सुझु नांदी को
my lord there is
नहीं पिला सुझु नांदी को भाई पिला काई रिफंड कर नांदी लोन लोन तो नेले एजुकेशन पाठ पढावे लोन देला सरकार काई देबेनी
my lord that liability they have to discharge but
that boys why the boys are not एबे में गुड पिला को पर्सनल मेडिकल लोन नै पाठ पढला ଆଉ ପୋଷ୍ଟିଂ ହେଇଗଲା ତାପରେ ଦେଖା ଦଉନି ସେ ପିଲାକୁ ପର୍ସନାଲ ଡାକିଛି ଭାଇ ତୁ ତୋତେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ତୋ ଭଳିଆ ପିଲା ମାନଙ୍କର ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ତାର ଲୋନ ଦେବା ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦବ ତାପରେ ବାକି ବିଚାରେ ରିଏଲି ନିଡି ପିଲା ନ ହଇରାଣ ହେବେ
ନାଇଁ ଏଜୁକେସନ ଲୋନ
ସାର୍ ଏଜୁକେସନ ଲୋନ ର କଥା ହେଲା ସେ ପିଲା ଚାକିରି କଲାଣି କାମ ପଇସା ଇନକମ କଲାଣି ଲୋନ କାଇଁ ଦେବନି ମୋରାଟୋରିୟମ ପିରିୟଡ ପରେ ଲୋନ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ
moratorium ପରେ that is my grievance moratorium ପରେ bank did not take any action
अरे आपण लोन नहीं बैंक थैंकफुल टू द बैंक
माने
सर
सरफेस एक्ट माने लेटली ऑन 22
आज्ञा लोन नेगरी आपण अधिक आर्गुमेंट करंतुनी आपण सीधा लोन पे कर देंतु एते कथा कोडे आला बेचारा ये बेचारा भी हैरान होची आपण लोन पे कर दे सब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाता
टोटल they have raised a demand of 7 lakhs in that surface
आज्ञा सुनंतु 7 लाख पाई आपनकर जो पिला मन पर हाईली प्लेस से लोन दे दो ना को मैं
the problem is that amor fixed deposit is lying with the bank 5 lakhs 10 lakhs they did not pay saying that that loan amount has been adjusted against that fixed deposit then I filed a writ petition this honorable court gave a direction to refund that amount by extending the maximum interest. And that the statement they have not yet given to me. It is a question of adjustment. If
court कौन कर why are you involving court in everything sir आपण मंग भीतर दिया नहीं आउचंती कोर्ट को काई घसुचंती हमर काम हम ऑर्डर पास
that is why my money is lying with the bank
आपण जी जोड़ी जाय
आज्ञा
सरफेसिंग sorry this
सरफेसिंग मु गले कोन से आई गेस ही पैसा ताकू दे दियंतु let them proceed against him my lord and get it recovered from their children my lord
sir since the matter doesn't pertain to since the matter pertain to surface proceedings this court cannot this is not a matter to be heard by this court let the matter be placed
what I pray my lord your lordship may say that this let this matter be placed before the appropriate bench my lord
let the matter be placed before the chief justice to assign an appropriate bench custom ette katha kodala next
item 47 please your lordship I may be pardoned
please mention the opposite party number 3 and 4 also appear
no only पिला लोन नौछंती पैसा सुजु नांती ये कोन कथा तावर बैंक बेचारा किछ करा
आमे आगे हैरान पड़ जाउ
7 लाख टका लोन सुजु वेल प्लेस
in fact he has committed all the frauds my lord and the bank is not taking any action against them my lord and they are proceeding against me to recover the amount
कोन एक्शन नबो बैंक प्रॉपर्टी
सेठी आगे 10 लाख टका फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट थिला सेते बेले जेतो हाई कोर्ट रे केस पेंडिंग थिला they didn't say anything there my lord no I am not saying it is an admitted fact which my lord friend said
I am not deciding this is surface once possible no more city jibe au
please your lords I may be permitted to place on behalf of Mr. Mahapatra
yes
but here as per my lord's last direction I have deleted opposite party number 1 and filed the amended cost title also
what is this case
and there was an order with regard to personal appearance of OP number 2.
Not okay.
It's a private party, my lords. But what has happened here in this case, my lords, is that the death.
Personal appearance का यहाँ से
say last date रे भी थिला.
Sufficient I would chance let though the notice has been sufficient on OP number 2.
My lords. It will be only sole OP now because one has
the OP number 2. But not the thing. In the interest of one basis, another less the matter. Pass number.
My lords. Grateful.
Next.
48.
My lord, I am
अरे यार
my lord I am OP number 6 my lord
I know ये केस आपण के खत्म होनी
my lord I would submit my lord to kindly
sometimes I express my inability to solve this kind of problem very difficult the court can't refer everything
My lord, it is a clear case, my lord. This can be disposed of today, my lord. I will show, my lord, the annexure 7 of
Tell
22.
me how it can be disposed of. I'll love to dispose it of.
So far, my lord, I have not been able to receive a consolidated writ petition copy. My lord, was directed to supply the same. So far, I have not been able to receive.
He is appearing from distance.
Yes, my lord, I know. From Bolangir.
Annexure 7, page 22, my lord. And the case can be disposed of by this annexure, my lord.
So how it can be disposed of?
My lord, the payee has paid the amount and it has been recorded in the account of the receiver, my lord. And this is the bank statement of the receiver, my lord. Here it is clearly mentioned that the account number who has deposited the amount, the account number and the name of the petitioner, my lord. It is displayed, it is recorded in the account of the receiver, my lord.
So the person is Murli Ram Kahar.
My lord.
So the money has been credited to his account.
My lord. In the meantime, he is dead.
Default.
Murli Ram Kahar is dead.
Default, but
he is dead. Bank has freezed his account.
My lord, I would submit, my lord, a direction is prayed to.
No, what direction? Sir, that person is no more. Account has been frozen. What to be done?
My lord, to examine.
Another problem. It is a new problem.
My lord, OP number 7. If a direction is given to OP number 7, my lord, he will examine the matter, and if the amount is credited to the account
OP
of
number 7. Who is OP number 7?
Chairman, National Payment Corporation of India, my lord. And if he will examine the matter, and if the amount has been credited to that account.
Okay, I am doing that only, right?
My lord. And it my lord, that is reflected on the account of the receiver, my lord.
Okay. On the submission of learned counsel for the petitioner, the money has been wrongly
88,674, my lord.
The amount of rupees 88,674 has been transferred wrongly, remitted wrongly to the account of the one Ram.
Murli Ram Kahar. OP number 2, my lord.
OP number 2.
Deleted, my lord.
Which is also rightly reflected in the Annexure 7. Since the money has been remitted, though wrongly, to the petitioner through the gateway, through the payment, the gateway of payment Corporation of India.
National Payment Corporation of India.
National Payment Corporation of India.
OP number 7.
In such view of the matter, and it has been, it is not, none appears for that.
No, nobody appears.
None appears for the National Payment Corporation of India. So, Lokota ke Payment Corporation asini order ta dala kon fayda?
Yes.
Is it going to help anybody?
After
after 2-3 occasions, they have not. Nobody has come from them.
No, the last occasion notice was directed to be issued. He was directed to take notice.
You have notice is complete. Huh? Notice complete.
That's in file, my lord.
So notice is I in the 7th in the order to the lava kono. Let notice go. You solve the notice through registered post, Mr. Joshi.
It has been done, my lord.
You have done?
Yes, my lord.
But that, but it has not been received a code. You have not filed the proof of that dispatch. Notice 7 issue anyway. Issue fresh notice to OP number 7. The Payment Corporation of India. National
Payment Corporation.
National Payment Corporation. By registered post with registered post.
My Lord Chairman, National Payment Corporation.
Chairman. By registered post. Returnable on 6th November.
My Lord.
If somebody comes, then we can request them. If otherwise, passing in order doesn't help. It will have just simply it will in order in paper only. So that I don't want.
Unless OP number 7 receives notice, nobody will go.
Yeah, he should come, na. Somebody should appear from Bombay or wherever.
Yes.
There, not a problem.
My Lord, my submission. He will carry out the order of the Honorable Court, my Lord.
No. That you don't know these people. We are very much aware of their tendency. They don't bother. Bombay order, they don't bother. What about these folks?
Otherwise, content petition.
No, empty content way. Se notice paina thibo taku content kendi issue kara jibo. Lokada notice pai ni thibo taku content issue kari kendi ho.
Yes, sir.
ଲୋକଟା ନୋଟିସ ପାଇକିରି ଜାଣିକିରି ସବୁ ଯଦି ଇଏ କରିବ ତାକୁ ନୋଟିସ କରାଯିବ କିଛି ଜାଣି ସେ ଲୋକ ଜାଣିନଥିବ ତାକୁ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ପଳେଇଥିବ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଯିବ ଷ୍ଟେ ହେଇଯିବ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟରେ 2 ମିନିଟରେ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ କହିବ କୋ ସମ ଫୁଲ ଆଡଭାୟା ଜଷ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଏମିତି ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିଛି କହିବ why should I be seen in poor light?
Let notice goes.
Okay, let notice go. Next.
Item 49.
49.
The petitioner, my lord, is appearing and negotiation is going on. My lord, put up this matter on the next week of the second week of the November, so the matter could be settled. Yes, ma'am. My lord is there, so it can be settled.
Lord Constable, the petitioner submits that settlement talk is going on between the parties. List the matter on. They might take some time to settle, hence let the matter be listed on 15 November.
Yes, ma'am.
15 November.
Not published.
Next.
Item 52.
52.
Direction issued to the London Council for the State to supply the copy of the inquiry by the CDPO Baleswar. That is service area. Whether I am in service area or not, I am a highest mark secured. All the candidates.
Service area
Service area
Service area is nothing. That is our affidavit also counter.
Last time Lordship had a length and Lordship had directed the CDPO to.
So, आपण CDPO de कौन देगी CDPO? आपण क्षेत्र कौन दोनों से पुराना क्षेत्र कौन है? अबे CDPO तो चलेगी. Have you taken instruction?
Yes. His house is situated in the.
I am not on that, sir. Currently, good CDPO good report आना. To obtain a fresh report from the CDPO.
CDPO Baleswar Sadar.
Baleswar Sadar regarding the residential status of the present petitioner.
So that order was there before Lordship.
List the matter on 1st November. You give that present status. Next.
53.
53.
In item number 53 and 54, state has to file the counter application.
State 6 to 2 weeks time to file the counter application. Is the matter on 7th November.
Item 55.
Please, my lord. In this case, before filing of the lien, the petitioner has moved the.
For 54.
54.
54, I've sought.
He is not filed the reply. Counter.
ହୋଇଥାଉ କାହିଁକି ନା ସେ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ୟା ଭିତରେ ହେଇଯାଇଛି in fact last occasion prior to that on the ground of residency this particular opposite party who has been appointed not belongs to that area which is very much apparent from an exception.
So now they have appointed you.
I am for the petitioner.
Now the petitioner has been appointed.
In the meantime they have been appointed.
So that's no case then.
And
why should you file?
Opposite party number 4. My learned friend is for the government.
Your grievance is redressed, na?
I am not redressed.
But what my learned friend is done in the meantime, opposite party number 6 has got the appointment.
Oh, 6 got the appointment.
6.
Okay, you file.
short date rahu by that it will be.
Short date only say chutti pare. Chutti pare habo.
କାହିଁକି ନା 1 ଥିଲା ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ ଡେଟ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା 2
तो
ସପ୍ତାହ
1/10 दे दूची 1/11 दे दूची 1/11 नवंबर
1 हाँ छुट्टी हाँ
ठीक है next
Item
yes
55.
last chance because
yes is the last one 55
Madam, before filing of the writ petition, the petitioner has filed the representation to the insurance company to return back all the documents so that he can go to the file further case in the Hon'Ble High Court. I filed the requisite here also, indicating that we have requested the insurance company to return back our documents. So they have not returned it. And now says that they are fabricating documents.
I am for the insurance company, but I am on BC. I do not know what additional document my lawyer has filed, and the copy of the same has not been served. I request my friend to serve a copy.
What additional
I
document?
thought they are also just like referring the matter some by taking some plea or other. I have filed
Some
the
plea.
document requesting the insurance company to return back my documents.
So how I can concede to that letter without
Do one thing, sir. Do please return the document whatever they have given.
now? Yes,
They
that
have
is
received
what I am
it.
saying.
They have received
Without filing, without serving a copy of the document.
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ମ କିଛି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ କିଛି ଏମିତି ଖାସ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି
ଯେ କୋଉ
କିନ୍ତୁ ମତେ instruction
ଆପଣ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଫେରେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସିମ୍ପଲ ଆଉ ଏତେ କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁନି
sir ମତେ instruction ନେବେ ନା whether such
କିଛି ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଯାହା ନେବା କଥା
whether
you have his document you have to return it back simple
whether such an representation has been made or
ଆପଣ
not.
ଘରେ ଥିବେ ଆପଣ ଘରୁ କେମିତି ନେଇକି ଦେବେ ସାର୍ ନା ଯୋଉଠି ଆପଣ ଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ଲୋକ କାହା ପଠାନ୍ତୁ
ନା sir ମୋଠୁ phone number
you somebody send somebody will collect the document
sir please listen. My lord and friend took the phone number of my associate.
nothing doing ଆପଣ ଫେରନ୍ତୁ କପି
Sir, moti tar copy ta diyantu. I will ask my client whether such an application has been given or not. Mo phone number nele mo junior ro ebong pacharle copy debi boli but no copy has been served. It's not a fair practice.
What copy they are available?
It is not at all fair practice.
They are available with you and submitting the copy of the request.
My associate is there. You please serve a copy on him. I will take instruction whether such an application has been made. If at all it has been made, I will instruct him to return the document. I have no objection. And on the last
so this is
occasion,
why have you filed this what is this for
why not
ये कौन पे फाइल करछिले आप
because before filing I have just reported my claim. So I will you return back my document so that I can see further action.
so what to do with this writ application?
then a writ petition को पे फाइल करछिन ताले
Yes. How it is related?
it जदि आपण आ को फोरम को जीवा ताले एटी काहे
For filing this writ petition, my lord.
That is my case, sir.
This writ petition, they
Several
have just reputed, so I completely return back it to me. Now they are claiming that documents were
So
fabricated.
why are the minutes
That is
of the hearing
fabricated
of the writ
document.
application such thing as
It was
That is my grievance.
their empaneled hospital, he received the treatment. He issued the discharge ticket and other documents. He produced.
को hospital
Some hospital is the empaneled hospital.
You are nothing doing a simple a racket is going on how to defraud the
यार टिके अटकीवे आपण अटकीवे टिके ना बंद करो बंद करो स्विच ऑफ करो केही अटकू ना खाली गपी चलछथि टिके सुनिबा को देबे कोन जिंसटा बुझे खाली कहि दे नॉन स्टॉप पूरा रनिंग कमिटी वाला कहि छ So you have come here for what?
I have raised my claim that was reputed.
So you are challenging against the reputation of the claim. So which forum? How forum would you be able to
No other forum after adjusting the ombudsman. This is the right forum.
That's what I'm saying. Since you have written to go to some forum, all these things.
No forum, no.
So that the ombudsman. What did the ombudsman say?
My lord.
Ombudsman कौन कहला?
Ombudsman regarding age discrepancy, he rejected. Age discrepancy. In different age, the documents, different age have been placed. So ombudsman rejected.
So आपनकर age टा कोटा actually?
My lord.
आपनकर right age टा कोटा?
Hon'Ble High Court.
Age, sir, Honorable High Court is right age.
Right age.
हाँ,
Right
कितने
age
age?
31.
Age ground रे आप लोग कहते ना? Which is the right document which that reflects the age?
Documents
को document right age टा आप लोग पाइबे?
He is 31, my lord.
Sir, I am not asking is 31 or 32. को document basis रे आप लोग कहते?
Aadhaar card, my lord.
Aadhaar card is not the basis of document. Aadhaar card रे कितने आगे पछे ही होची? Aadhaar card can't be the basis.
Then I'll get instruction and produce the actual age.
आधार कार्ड हबनी आपण से पाठ पढिचंती
ये कौन किती पाठ पढले most part what is किती पाठ पढले आधार कार्ड is the basic. I will produce that.
वोटर आई कार्ड
my lord.
वोटर आई कार्ड
Voter ID card you must be possessing. I will produce.
से केते किछि पढिनी किछि त पढिथि
किती पढले जे poultry farm कर poultry farm आता employee owner and his employee they are implement. They insured their health under corona rakshaka policy, my lord. While the insurance policy was invalid, was valid, that
आपण को डॉक्यूमेंट देथिले एठी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी रे
discharge ticket, then COVID finding report, CLC where he received.
ये छोटा मोटा डिस्क्रिपेंसी रे काई रिजेक्ट करछंदी
My lord, they only 2 lakhs rupees sum assured. Only.
I don't know, give it. I'm passing order to. लखे 2 लाख
I may kindly be allowed to submit my case, madam.
Yes, खोलो अबे on करो. Yes, Mr.
Yes,
Sahu.
Yes, madam.
One thing.
Yes. Sir, I'm
ଟିକେ मोट କଥା ଆगे ଶୁଣିବେ ଆପଣ एकदम कम କହିବେ ଯେତେ ଦରକାର ହେତି କହିବେ ତାଠୁ ଅଧିକ କହିବେ ମୁଁ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେବି ଯେତିକି ଦରକାର ହେତି କହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ क्वेश्चन. So this man's claim has been rejected by the ombudsman that on the basis of the that what is called age, difference of age, right? So that should not be, you should not be so much technical about all these things. Why is this a small amount you should pay it?
Sir, not only age.
What else?
There are several documents manufactured for the purpose of this claim to defraud the insurance company. Sir, a racket is going on. How to taking advantage
of जागु मागिले लखे 2 लाख रेकर्ड गोइंग ऑन चलेछंती आपण पैसा न देबा में रेकर्ड किछि रेकर्ड थिले भी देबे आपण देबे.
Sir, mo basis
you have to pay. I am passing order. You have to pay.
Basis में only 5 minutes में भी kindly allow. सर शायद आप अपना व्यू चेंज कर सकते हैं.
नहीं, अब जब कोई आदमी क्लेम करने आता है तो आप रेकर्ड वाके बात करते हैं. रेकर्ड कुछ नहीं है. आपका इंश्योरेंस कंपनी देमसेल्फ आर बिग रेकर्ड.
सर दाल में कुछ काला है.
काला तो आपके साइड में है.
नहीं, इसलिए कहता मेरे को सुनिए फिर कुछ व्यू लीजिए.
मैं तो सुन चुका हूँ आपको इतना बोल चुके तो सुन के पक गया.
मैं बिल्कुल कुछ बोला ही नहीं मेरिट के बारे में.
हाँ, मेरिट, टेल मी द मेरिट.
Sir, first of all,
1, 2, 3, merit number 1. Point number 1.
Yes, point number 1.
Writing. Note down. Point number 1.
Yes.
Note down.
The petitioner wants to enforce his contractual right by invoking the extraordinary jurisdiction of this honorable court, which is not permissible. This is a one legal point.
This is not a big point. Good. Take the solid point. Where will you go? You have to come here only. Yes. Second point. Come to the second point.
Yes, coming. Then apart from this discrepancy of age in different documents, the so-called, sir, I have prepared a written note of argument.
आज्ञा एते कथा कहू आपण कहि चलंतु आउ एते सब पढिबे समय नै.
The so-called discharge summary has not been signed by the authority who is supposed to sign it, that is authorized medical officer. Your lordship may refer to the annexure 5 of the writ petition at page 19. Annexure 5 at page 19. Sir. This page 19, next page 20. Authorized medical officer Guru Datta Das. No signature of Mr. Das has been given.
କେମିତି ନାହିଁ ଅଛି ତଳେ ତ ଅଛି।
No, sir, that is SB, sir, SB Mishra. That is of SB Mishra. This the SB Mishra is the treating consultant. But the authorized medical officer who is supposed to issue the discharge certificate has not signed. And this type of documents they are asking your lordship to act upon. And besides this, your lordship will appreciate in one day.
No, let me do one thing. Let me do one thing, sir. आपन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन दरकार ना आपन डॉक्यूमेंट नेकी जानतु सम हॉस्पिटल गुडे एंडोर्स कर दियंतु जे आपन सेमाने देई छथि बुली एति कर दियंतु आ दे दियंतु तांको दे विल बाउंडरी हला ए खाली एटा त तांगर प्रॉब्लम ए गुरुदत्त दास साइन करछिन नै आपन दिस इज authenticated document issued by the some hospital बोले गुडे लेखे आनंद
Third point, sir.
Order so that
okay no order sir next
Sir, third point.
Next point.
Yes, on the last occasion, I requested your lordship to call for the to call for WPC number 18,700.
Save WPC छाना तो आपने इधर कथा कहूँ
ना सर the judgment reserve अच्छे and this is one of the fake case.
फिर के मुँह एटा दायरा को लगा
सर सेटर मुँह
just a minute hold on since the insurance company is disputing the authenticity of the document issued by the some hospital, especially the insurance company is disputing this the fact that the medical document issued by the some hospital has not been signed by the authorized medical officer of some hospital. In such view of the matter, the petitioner is directed to approach the some hospital and get it authenticated by the superintendent. Case certificate had ke tha.
Authorized medical officer.
Authorized medical officer, some hospital.
Some COVID hospital.
Some COVID hospital. Also. Nothing like that. Some hospital likha na COVID kind likhi. नाई बोली कह दे पुलिस ए के थिला कोन ओडिसा बुलेया पे ओडिसा मास्टर ना संगे संग बुले देबो से 10 राउंड तमो हां and the authorized medical officer shall
of some hospital
shall authenticate the documents within 3 days from within 3 days of the presentation of the presentation of this order.
Well, in two cases.
जितना केसेस और 2 केसेस में ठीक है
my lord in 2 cases
sir
दो इधर केस अलग अलग ऑर्डर है सर हां दो इधर अलग इधर 2 केसेस 1 केसेस को हेलो अंदर डॉक्यूमेंट
नंबर जो 18748
फुल स्टॉप
by 2022
list the matter on second say do itera se
sir I think excuse one more point
okay next hegala
sir one more point sir I very excuse sir that the COVID test report where from they have obtained it that was not an authorized lab so another
the entire document issued by the some hospital to be authenticated like the entire document issued by the some hospital to be authenticated by the authorized medical officer within 3 days from presentation of this order. Khatam. Next item.
Item 56.
List the matter on 1st November. शायद दलाल को इंश्योरेंस करने वाला सब नोट के बारे बाकी टाइम नेक्स्ट डेट 1st November. Next
56.
Nandiki एक के साहू
may I please your lord
कौन केस है
my lord the unfortunate grandson of the present petitioner was expired due to leakage of gas
हाँ कॉल से दे आपने देवा आगुड़े केस दे दी इसलिए तो दे दी
and they have rejected insurance has rejected on the ground of delay
मतलब in fact
कितने दिन delay
only
6 IRD का हम करते हैं बड़ा पार्टी
आईडी को तो पार्टी करियो पुड़ियो
एडी भी कर दे आईडी के पार्टी आज तक से सिंधी ऑर्डर कर दे ऑर्डर है इतना के दिन
my lord if your lordship
के ऑर्डर अच्छे आपने
आईडी
खाली ना आईडी को पार्टी कर दे
my lord if
implicit IRD is a party notice issued to IRD
If your lordship permit me to insert the name of IRD as a.
एंती इंसर्ट हबनी आपण आईए फाइल करिवे एंती शॉर्टकट रास्ता सब धरियो बोली केंती पूरा प्रोसीड्यूर ना आ तो आईडी इंसर्ट कर खोल
So that.
आपण खेल हम फाइल केंती आसी हम फाइल केंती हम एथि केंती आसी आपण फाइल करिवे ना
Start date may be fixed and I will file the I.
आईए फाइल कर आई फाइल कर शॉर्ट मु फिक्स कर दोछि लेट इट कम ऑन 10th हला 10th रे ना नोटिस इश्यू करता लेट आईडी शुड से समथिंग
सर फाइल करके आस्ते रे मंगलवार
हां कहीं अपन मिसकेस
ना ना 10th रे मैटर लागिवो आपण काली फाइल करंतु
हां दैट इज व्हाट
next date of listing is 10th okay
so that notice can be issued.
Petitioner to file the impediment application implementing the IRDA said application be filed within
by tomorrow
by tomorrow hala by tomorrow date de okay next
Item 57.
57 57 non appears
Last time also nobody has appeared.
last
On 2nd of
on
September.
last occasion also non appears it seems that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter accordingly dismissed for non prosecution however next
Item
Next.
58.
58
My lord, I am in custody since 24th July 2019, my lord.
এটা কোন কি সিআরএল কোন হইছে এটা
Bail, my lord.
হ্যাঁ
Bail, my lord.
বেল এটা কোন মানে স্পেশাল পক্সো
No, my lord. SC after your lordship rejected first time, my lord. It is second journey of the petition.
what কোন হইছিল এটা
My
The
lord,
last occasion,
your lordship
your lordship has directed.
called for the
Report of the. case.
code, trial code.
Trial
What?
code.
I see ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡିଲେ ହେବ ଆମର ଡିଲେ ହୁଏନି ଯଦି ଯୋଉ ଜାଗା ମାଗିଥିବ ଏଟା କେବେ ଫେଲ ହୁଏନି 18 witness have been examined so far 25 ରୁ 18 ରେ 7ଟା ବାକି ଅଛନ୍ତି 7ରେ ଗଲା ଏତେ କଣ ଆଗକୁ ଯାଉଥିବେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି କି
19 ମସିହାରୁ
19 ରୁ ଆଉ ଅଳ୍ପ ଅଛି ସରିଯିବ
ନା ସରିବନି ହଜୁରୀ ବର୍ଷ ଆଉ 2 ବର୍ଷ ଯିବ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ଆପଣ କଣ ଇଏ ହାତ ଦେଖା କାମ କଲେ
ନାଇଁ ହଜୁରୀ ମୟୂରଭଞ୍ଜ ତ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଆସିବେନି
କିଏ କହିଲା ମୟୂରଭଞ୍ଜ ମଷ୍ଟ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଟ୍ରାକ୍ କୋର୍ଟ କିଏ କହିଲା ମୟୂରଭଞ୍ଜ ଆମେ ଜାଣିନି କି ମୟୂରଭଞ୍ଜ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଆସିନି କଣ ଆସିବେନି
ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି
since the trial is the substantial portion of the trial is complete in the present case and only 7 witnesses are yet to be examined hence the trial is likely to be finished within next a month or so hence this court is of the opinion that let the trial be over and this court is opinion that at the fag end of the trial the petitioner should not be released on bail if the trial doesn't complete within 2 months the petitioner is granted liberty to approach huh?
Your lordship is deported.
this way
end of November your lordship may die.
2 months कर दीजिए आज तो 2 months हाँ 2 मास पर ना आसिबे जदि ना हलो आसिबे next yeah so